We have concurred with the opinion. Writ petition has been dismissed.
Item 25, WPC 5654 2019.
Writ petition is dismissed.
Obliged.
Nice. Yes, Mr. Bora.
I beg to mention item 6 and 7, my lord. Can this matter be possible for the day, my lord? Conducting
6 and 7.
H. Chaudhary is not present today, my lord.
13, 14 matters.
Yes, my lord.
Difficult.
This is a fake encounter, my lord.
Matters regarding what?
Fake encounter, my lord.
Fake encounter.
Yes, my lord. By the armed person and the.
Why are you seeking time in these matters?
Actually, today H. Chaudhary, my lord, he is not able to come to the court, my lord. Only possible for the day, my lord. Any day, my lord.
A request for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri E. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. However, considering that these matters are long pending, the request is reluctantly acceded, directing listing of this matter on 1st of June 2026. Listing of these matters, huh? Both are similar.
Similar, my lord.
Okay.
Different appellant, but same, my lord.
Okay. 1st of June.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23.
2-3.
Lordship, I pray for 4 weeks' time to file an additional affidavit in this case. Your lordship.
FT matter.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. On the request of Ms. P. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of additional affidavit. Puts the para list on 21, 1, 2, 3. Well, 15th of June, madam.
15th,
15th June,
Lord-
Monday.
on 23rd of June.
23rd.
23rd, your lordship.
Why so late? 16th of June, 17th of June. 17th June. File it before that.
May please, lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, lordship. Lordship, may adjourn the matter for 1 week, lordship. May fix after 28 any date, lordship.
Why?
9, item number 9.
Why?
Lordship, A. Mohammed is not available today, your honor. Conducting counsel is.
Let it reach 19 matters. We told you very earlier. We're not going to adjourn unless there is a medical emergency.
Lordship, may any date, lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship may fix any date after 20.
Let it reach. We are not passing any orders. Difficult for 19 matters to be adjourned. Yes, sorry. Let it reach. We will consider when it reaches.
May it be please, the lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, lordship, for next week.
No, what matter?
Foreigners matters, lordship.
Foreigners matter.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the
Notice was issued on 19/12/2024. Call for LCR. Till today, matter is not listed.
I have it whenever you want. Wednesday.
May it please your lordship. Lordship prayer for listing of an IA. Lordship, the matter
IA for
implement of parties, my lord.
in what case?
My lord, it is an writ appeal which is fixed tomorrow, my lord. In
Writ
this
appeal
court.
will not come before us.
My lord, it is fixed in this court tomorrow, my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Writ appeal is included in the court case. It's an easy case.
Item 1.
I feel is a lordship. My lord, this is an ex parte order, my lord. Well, the order was passed in the year 2010, my lord. And my lord, the petitioner, she was a government employee. And my lord, she has been serving since 1996 to my lord till her date of arrest, my lord, on 25/5/2025.
No, that we are aware.
Yes.
We heard this matter on the last occasion
yes,
and
ma'am. Yes.
we had given time to Madam
Yes.
Verma to go through the records because the records suggest that her thumb impression was taken
Yes.
while receiving notice.
Yes.
If that be so, our views may be different. If you make out a case that notices was never served upon you, then our views may be different.
Yes.
Last occasion.
Although my lord, she put her thumb impression, my lord, but since then, my lord, she was in her native place and she has been serving in the same place. No shifting, nothing.
Kindly check the records. Just a minute. Let the records be checked.
Lordship, notice has been served, Lordship.
Hmm?
It has been served. Page 31 of the records, Lordship. Director report is there. It says it was served on her.
And you have said challenge this after 15 years,
My lord,
2010.
she has no knowledge, my lord. When the police came on 25/5/2025, and she has been taken into custody, my lord, then they know, my lord, that the expiry order already has been passed.
You have been negligent,
She knows there is a reference because she has given her details to the inquiry officer, Lordship. In the presence of witnesses, Lordship. And it is taken during inquiry, it is ascertained that Molika Khatun was entered into India after 25th March 1971 with her husband, and hence it appears to me in a prima facie manner that she is an illegal migrant, Lordship. This is in the year 2004, Lordship.
Hmm.
It is not that she is not aware of the proceedings. She's very much aware of the proceedings. That there is a reference pending, Lordship.
Where are your averments, Mr. Ahmed,
My
that
lord,
you have not received the notice?
my lord, that is Terra 5, my lord.
What do you say, madam?
Lordship, it is in vernacular, Mr. Sharma.
Mr. Ahmed has made a statement that it was never served.
Yes.
And coupled with the fact that the petitioner claims to be a government servant.
On which page department?
my lord, health department. She is a sweeper. She was appointed as sweeper in Soropathar PHC. As of now, my lord, till her date of arrest, she was serving, my lord. I have annexed the appointment letter, my lord, salary certificate, and joining report also.
Let us strike a balance. We are not convinced that notice has not been served, records, but in the interest of justice, remand it back 60 days. Are you in custody now?
Yes, my lord. Taken into custody on 25/5/2025.
Now, working in the health department is not on a permanent post, Lordship. She is on a contractual.
No permanent post.
appointee.
No, I have annexed the, my lord, permanent post.
Age?
My lord, my lord, is 42. This is the appointment letter, my lord. My lord.
With immediate effect until further orders. It cannot be a permanent posting.
It's not permanent.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
My lord, come to page 46, my lord. 46, this is, my lord, salary certificate issued by the, my lord, Joint Director, Health Services. Here, my lord, may I read, my lord, certified that Mallika Khatun has been working as grade 4 at Soropathar PHC in this
Established.
establishment permanently since 1996.
She is working, but her post is not regularized, Lordship. As such,
Permanently.
Okay. Please go ahead. Very good. Yeah. The instant application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed challenging inter alia an opinion dated so and so passed by so and so in so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. The primary ground of challenge is that the order has been passed ex parte and the petitioner was not aware of the same. Para? We have heard three so and so, huh? We have also heard three so and so. Para? Sri Ahmed, the learned counsel, has submitted that at no point of time, any notice was received by the petitioner, and there was no change of any residential address. It is also contended that the petitioner is working as a grade 4 staff in the Soropathar PHC, and therefore there was no question of evading a service of notice. Full stop. He has submitted that though the opinion is of the year 2010, all this time there was no information regarding the same, and only on her arrest on 25/5/25 that she came to know about the impugned opinion, and thereafter presented the presented the instant writ petition. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to the pleadings in paragraph 5 of the writ petition to contend that the notices were never received by the petitioner. Para. On the other hand, Ms. Verma, the learned standing counsel, so and so, has submitted that the contention prima facie does not appear to be correct. Full stop. She has submitted that the records which were requisitioned by this court would reveal that the notices notice was received by the petitioner herself by putting thumb impression. Full stop. She has also submitted that though the petitioner has claimed to be a government servant, comma, such engagement appears to be temporary in nature. Full stop. Para. The primary ground of challenge, comma, as indicated above, is non-receipt of notice. Full stop. On the other hand, comma, the learned counsel for the respondents have denied the said ground and have also relied upon the records of the tribunal, which contains a report that the notice was served, and there is also a receipt, acknowledgement of receipt by the petitioner by putting her thumb impression. Full stop. Para. Without going into the dispute, into the issue regarding issue whether the notice was received by the petitioner or not, comma, we are of the opinion that interest of justice will be served if the petitioner is given a chance to defend herself in the proceedings. Full stop. Accordingly, the ex parte judgment dated 29/3/2010 passed by so and so in so and so is set aside. Full stop. The petitioner is, however, is directed to appear before the tribunal on or before 15/6 on or before 10/6/2026, along with a written statement and the evidence in chief of all the witnesses and along with the documents. Full stop. On such approach, comma, the learned tribunal shall take charge and complete the proceeding in accordance with law, more particularly in terms of Order 3 within bracket 14 of the Assam. What is the name? Foreigners Tribunal? Orders 1964. 64. Full stop. Para. To facilitate the petitioner to contest, comma, this court also grants bail to the petitioner who is said to be in custody with a bail bond of 10,000 subject to so and so. Aru erakhini tomar iris series lo bodiba khali date na thakile. Thik ase? Para, if the petitioner fails to appear and file the necessary requirements as indicated above within the date specified, comma, the present order, the ex parte judgment dated 29/3/2010 would revive.
My lord, regarding my lord bail, my lord, she is in custody.
You have granted bail, 10,000.
Superintendent of Police, Golaghat.
Golaghat. We will grant some more time then. Since season behind the bars, today is 20. So not 10, we'll make it 15,000. You get the order today itself.
My lord. My lord, that is my lord PHC, my lord, PHC, Public Health Center. Sorbothar Public Health Center.
Sorbothar Public Health Center.
Obliged.
I to not have, in view of the final orders passed in the writ petition, no orders are required to be passed in this IA, which is accordingly closed. But I bail the disilu, mazot eta kuma disilu, kivok disoniki interim bail no hai to. Bail to come out and contest.
IA is also closed. Obliged.
Again to.
Please, your lordships, the impugn order is at page 70, your lordship. By this order, the petitioner has been declared foreigner post 1971.
What is
Order
the
date is
date of the
23 to-
what is the date of the opinion, Mr. Hussain?
23 to 2026.
What are your grounds of challenge?
Lordship,
What are your grounds of challenge?
my ground, lordship, in this case, that my father's name appeared in the voter list of 1966, lordship. And
What is your date of birth?
1976, lordship.
76.
Yes, lordship.
So you have to establish a linkage with
The-
your father.
For linkage, one Panchayat certificate was executed, lordship.
Panchayat.
Yes, lordship.
Who had proved the Panchayat certificate?
Lordship, unfortunately, the secretary did not come. And thereafter, one ration card was also produced by her. But due to
Ration
some,
card with his husband probably, with
no,
parents.
this is in her name, lordship, page 70, and wherein her father's name is recorded. Because the ration card is issued in the name of female member and father's name are generally recorded nowadays. Page 70, lordship.
Madam, we issue a short notice.
Lordship.
Heard. 3. Item, your Judge Hussain,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has put to challenge an opinion dated so and so, passed by so and so, in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971.
Lordship.
It is submitted that relevant documents and evidence have not been taken into consideration. Sarah, let notice be issued, returnable on 24th of June, 2026. Union of India, anyone? Union of India? RKJ Chaudhary is there? SS Roy, who? RKD Chaudhary, Learned Deputy GI for 1. No, RKD Chaudhary will not put. He's a senior counsel. Anyone? SCGC? SS Roy? MR Odhikari. 3M. Is he there in the court? 3 MR Odhikari, Learned CGC for 1. And Madam Verma for 2, 2 and 6. ECI Madam Kotoki, S Kotoki for 3. And what about 4 nodal officer NRC? So you are for
2, 4 and 6.
2, 4 and 6. Then 5 is Mr. P. Sharma, State Council. Extra copies. Call for the records. Office to requisition. 3.
SP Dorang, lordship. SP
Huh?
what are Dorang?
Huh?
SP what are Dorang?
Request for an interim order, huh? One second, go take it. Got 10,000. You have to appear on or before 22nd. 21. On or before 1st of June.
Lordship. Right.
SP one column, SP border. Dorong. SP order Dorong.
Again to read.
Mr. Demas is on there. Should we kindly pass into the microphone?
What is the matter, Mr. Kolida?
My lord, in this matter, the victim boy,
Compensation.
yes, my
We
lord.
have already paid 2 lakh rupees. Now, my lord, they are going for on appointment.
But,
As per its scheme, on only 20,000.
Let Mr. Nath come then. Can we have after some time?
Yes, ma'am.
Or when? But you were supposed to have some instructions from your client.
Yes, my lord, I have instruction, my lord, he would not be able to do anything, my lord. He is bedridden, my lord.
Completely dependent upon his family, my lord.
Mr. Nath?
20,000.
It is, you know, this. Completely bedridden হয়। Completely মানে একো কৰিবই নোৱাৰে। চাকৰি দিলেও দিব তাৰমানে different একো কৰিব মানে বেডৰ শুই আছে।
Yes, what is it about?
So that under this particular scheme, this is a one-time grant to have some self-employed, some small business.
But the victim, he's bedridden.
Yes, my lord.
What had happened actually?
No, when he was taken to the medical board, that was not the condition. Lordship will see, but Lordship will see whether this particular condition, what injuries he has suffered because of the incident. And if subsequently he develops something else, that.
No, we'll have to see the proximity,
That's-
whether those injuries sustained were the causes for the present state of the petitioner.
That's-
If he has got any other ailment, that's a different matter.
Yes, absolutely.
What had happened actually, Mr. Kolita?
My lord, as part of petitioners, my lord.
Petitioner is the mother.
Yes, my lord.
What had happened to her son?
That the boy was picked up by the police and kept in the police.
What is the age of the boy? Age?
At that time, my lord, he was on 16 years, 4 months.
16-year-old boy.
Yes, my lord. Minor, my lord. The procedure also not followed by the police. Yes.
Was picked up.
Yes, madam. And kept in the police as per their admitted fact that at 18 one day is kept in the police custody. One day.
Victim was 16 and a half years.
Yes, madam. 16 years, 4 months, 22 days at that time. He was class 9 student.
He was in custody.
Yes.
For how long?
1 day, my lord, as per their statement, my lord, 18 hours, 18 and a half hours.
Where?
Bidapur,
Not have your seat with complete.
Bidapur Police Outpost, my lord.
Where is it?
In Bongaigaon district, under Bongaigaon Police Station.
Thereafter?
My lord, police, my lord, medical requisition, it was found, my lord, in page number 106, my lord. It is at that time, my lord. It is clearly reflected that body ache and pain in neck. My lord, in 106, kindly peruse, my lord.
Page 106.
Yes, my lord. There's the police requisition, my lord, before the Bidapur CHC. my lord.
Yes, what is this? Backache.
Yes, my lord. At 8:30 p.m. my lord. 106.
What is your allegation? What do you allege?
My lord,
He was tortured.
yes, my lord.
Where?
My lord, at the police station, my lord.
Where have you stated? What have you stated? What kind of injuries did you sustain?
My lord, injuries was, my lord, uh, after release, my lord, after releasing from the police station, he was admitted, my lord, in Bongaigaon Civil Hospital
Yes.
on 5/3/2016, my lord. Page number 16, my lord. Annexure 2, my lord.
Page number 16.
Yes, my lord. This is the, my lord, medical outpatient, my lord, record.
He was arrested. He was arrested.
Yes, my lord.
How? Because he's a minor, juvenile.
My lord, that was not followed by the police, my lord, and arrested, my lord, kept in the police custody, my lord.
What document do you have that he was arrested?
My lord, there,
Was any arrest warrant
GD&T
given?
is there, my lord. GD&T is there, my lord.
No, GD entry is
And
pending.
FIR, my lord, FIR, my lord,
But you had made you have made a
Kana-
statement that you were in custody, kept in custody.
yes, my lord.
For 18.5 hours.
Yes, my lord. There was an FIR, my lord, in murder case, my lord, 302.
302.
In suspect, my lord, the boy was picked
Murder
up.
case.
No, that is okay.
Respondent number 7, my lord, in this case, my lord, by name, my lord. He also admitted that boy was picked up, my lord. As well as my lord.
See, there are, Mr. Kolti, there are two issues. One is the issue of your violation of your legal right.
Yes,
As a juvenile, could you have been arrested, put into custody?
yes,
That will examine.
yes.
But the more important question is whether you were also subjected to custodial torture for which your health has deteriorated and you are bedridden.
Yes,
That is the second aspect which you are more concerned with.
yes.
First part will take care. Second part is more concerned whether it's a matter of fact that because of any torture in the custody, your health has deteriorated. What have you stated? What kind of torture was there?
My lord, torture was, my lord, I have stated, my lord. Paragraph number 3, my lord, I have stated, my lord. In
Page.
page number, my lord, in the writ petition, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord.
Paragraph 10.
But this document, medical document says that you had alleged there was assault by the police
Yes,
with soft tissue injuries, conservative treatment, and you have improved.
yes.
What is the actual injuries did you sustain?
Actual injuries, my lord, tortured by the, my lord,
What is the nature of the injury? Where did you sustain injuries?
that medical, my lord, documents, my lord, only page number 16. Only this medical documents is available with the, my lord, petitioner, my lord.
At least show us the pleadings, what kind of inconvenience or difficulties you had faced. Where are the pleadings?
My lord, in the medical, my lord, medical board, my lord, it is reflected, my lord,
Page,
report, my lord.
page.
The medical report to publish. Yes. There is
Mr. Kalita, first, let us have the allegation, let it be in the realm of allegation. Where have you alleged that this is kind of the treatment which you are meted with in the police station? Where are the statements? Who had assaulted you?
my lord, respondent number 7, my lord.
Where are the statements? What kind of assault? Or physical?
My lord, paragraph number 11, my lord.
You were in the hospital for 4 days.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph 3 says.
Date of the incident from your side, your incident, when was it approximately? 2000?
16. 29 to 16.
Yes.
Hmm?
But there is a medical report at page 109. That will indicate. Dates are mentioned, but, there are at page 109 NHNF.
Hmm? 44.
Hospital bed ticket is also there at 109, 10. After that, column.
Allegation of contract fee in the murder case. Murder case was about,
No.
allegation was of
Oh,
contract.
yeah.
fee.
Lodge.
Contract.
Yes,
He is not forwarded, right? Because two of the accused are aged
No.
19 years and 29 years.
in fact, the, on
He
a
was,
date,
he
on a
was not
date,
arrested.
Lodge.
He was not arrested.
No, he was not arrested he was taken to police station for interrogation. For investigation purpose, he was,
But it has to be within 24 hours.
logic.
Cannot be detained beyond 24 hours.
No. On the next day, he went out with his father and he was in good health at that point of time. And in fact, on 25, the incident took place. On that day, he was taken. On next day, he was released he went out with the father. After 4 or 5 days, he went to hospital. At some places, they have said that he was taken in police custody for 3 days. That is not correct.
No, but paragraph 3 at page 5,
In the repetition.
repetition.
There are two versions. No, this is not correct.
Para?
Para three of the repetition at page 5. That he was illegally confined and inhumanly tortured in police custody for 3 days. This is absolutely not correct.
But even if someone is brought for interrogation, GD entry is made.
Yes,
Everything is,
GD entry.
everything is encyclopedia.
Yes.
Everything that happens in the case.
Yes,
GD, yes.
it is there.
There cannot be detailed dimension.
Logic. He was-
Who took the victim, the son of the petitioner, to the hospital?
Yes.
As per the report,
Page number 64.
21/7/2023 report.
Uh, Page number 64, it is file now.
Statement was recorded, Sunday Saran.
Condition right.
Sunday Saran.
The
Right.
statement was recorded as a weakness
Yes.
by police.
Now, along with his attendance, he appeared.
Sunday Saran,
Sunday sir.
indicated as 23 years. Process. No, sorry, this is a different statement.
Even at 109, which you are relying, paragraph 2,
Mark.
concerned general surgeon Dr. So-and-so examined the patient immediately in the ward and recorded the few soft tissue injuries on his body, which are as follows: bruise over back 3x2 and 4x2, and right thigh 4x3 and 2x1, brownish in color, abrasion over right arm in healing stage.
This 130. Medical requisition optional. Each one on that. Is one on that. At that time of my lord, medical requisition, that was also, that time also backache and pain in neck was there. And this my lord, medical report also superior to my lord, A and B also.
But Mr. Kolita, you're all said and done. You see the relief you are praying for. Page 11. Page 11. Relief. To pay adequate compensation as basic damage, aggravated damage, and exemplary damage for illegal detention, confinement, and inhuman torture. Now, what is your stand? You have paid some money.
Already 2 lakhs is.
Including compensation of 2 lakhs has been taken and paid. And my lordship, while taking up the matter earlier, has passed several orders against the airing official. Some amount of torture was there. Some amount of torture, not inhuman as alleged. Lordship will kindly take up the order at 10/5/2023. Lordship, sir.
Order
Yes,
10/5.
2023. In fact, at that stage, kindly take up 4/4/2023. Then I'll take your notice to the 4/4/2023.
Yes.
While taking up of the matter, lordship has directed that the SP Bongaigaon district has filed an affidavit, the affidavit which I have now shown, that the son of the petitioner named so and so was taken into the custody of the police on 25/2/2016, and on 26/2/2016 in the next day, he was handed over to his father, Mohan Roy, as no evidence was found about his involvement in the matter for which he was taken into custody. As per GD entry number 425 dated 25/2/2016 and GD entry number 426 of dated 25/2/2016 of the Vidyapur Police Outpost, respondent number 7, Deepak Soikia, the then IC of Vidyapur Police Outpost, had brought the son of the petitioner to the Vidyapur Police Outpost on 25/2/2016 for interrogation. The complete book of original containing the GD entry numbers 24/25 dated 25/2/2016 and GD number 426 of dated 25/2/2016 of the Vidyapur Police Outpost be produced before the honorable court. Then lordship has on the next day kindly seek the order.
Page, which order date?
26/4/2023. Next, 26. Relevant orders I am referring to. Then lordship has directed that the complete medical records, including the bed rate ticket, X-ray report, etc., may be available in respect of Sandeep Roy, corresponding to the department registration number 115 of 2016 be produced before the honorable court. That is produced. It is before your lordship. Then the Deepak Soikia, the officer in charge who took the petitioner, the victim to police station, he was directed to remain personally present for the honorable court. That is reflected at page 85/2023. And one of the GD general case diary of police produced before the court be handed over to the postmaster or be kept in the custody of the registry. It is there. 8/5/2023. Medical reports is also one of the it was produced and it was kept on record. Then kindly come to the order dated 10/5/2023. The affidavit is there. Merit 10/5/23. Deepak Soikia, the then officer in charge of Vidyapur Police Outpost, Bongaigaon, is personally present before the court. The affidavit of the officer in charge states that Chandrasaran Roy was taken into custody at 8:30 p.m. on 25/2/2016 and he was released from the custody at 10 a.m. on 26/2/2016. But the case diary reveals that Chandrasaran Roy was taken into custody at 3:30 p.m., meaning that the person concerned remained in police custody for 18.5 hours. On being asked, Mr. Soikia states that he has no knowledge as to how injuries appeared in the body of the person who had been taken into custody. On being further asked, he states that it is a matter of 2016. He does not remember anything. Deepak Soikia to introspect and reflect as to what happened in the outpost while Chandrasaran Roy was in the custody of police, and if necessary to consult the then colleagues of Indian Police Outpost to remind him as to what may have happened during the 18.5 hours when Chandrasaran Roy was in police custody. My humble suggestion is there is a finding of the honorable court that after verifying everything that he was there in police custody for 18 and a half hours for 1 week, not 3 days as alleged in the para 3. Para 3, let's fail, please 5 minutes. Lordship, I kindly come to the next order, 12/5/2023. 12/5/23. Mr. Deepak Soikia, the then officer in charge of Islapur Police Station, Bongaigaon, is again personally present before the court as per our earlier orders. The same stand is reiterated that during 18 and a half hours for which the boy Sandeep Roy was placed in custody, no injuries of any kind was inflicted on the boy. But the medical report of about 7 days later reveals that the boy was suffering from serious soft tissue injuries, 5 in number, which is available from the original medical report produced by the Health Department of Government of Assam. If the statement of Mr. Shaikia is to be accepted that no injuries were inflicted to the boy during the 18 and a half hours when he was in police custody, the serious injuries must have been inflicted by some other person after he was released from the custody and before he was admitted in hospital. Inflicting serious bodily injuries is also a penal offense under the IPC, which requires an investigation and registration of a case. Accordingly, Mr. Deepak Soikia to register a police case before the Bongaigaon police station as regards the injuries that were found in the body of the Chandi Sharan Roy by filing an Azahar, and thereafter the officer in charge of the Bongaigaon police station to conduct a thorough investigation and submitted at least a preliminary report after investigation as to who, according to the police, had inflicted the injuries to the boy Chandi Sharan Roy. The Superintendent of Police Bongaigaon directed to personally supervise the investigation that is to be made and so ensure the safety and security of boy Chandi Sharan Roy so that no harm of any kind can be caused to him during the investigation by the person, including the police. For this investigation report, the materials of this investigation we have annexed in the affidavit of the SP. The statements.
What has been found?
Some guilt on the part of Mr. Soikia was, and accordingly proceeding was initiated against him.
Proceeding also.
Yes, it is reflected. On 2/6/2023, kindly come to the order, madam. You say 2/6/2023, honorable court order.
What happened to the DP? 2/6/2026.
2/6/2023, honorable court order.
Yes.
SP appeared personally before the honorable court. Upon deliberation, further personal appearance of Mr. So-and-so is dispensed with. In furtherance of deliberation, the SP Bongaigaon may do the needful and also bring the investigation of Bongaigaon case number 204/2/203 under section so-and-so of the IPC to its logical end. We have been informed that the victim was still suffering from certain physical illness. In this circumstance, it would also require a determination whether the adverse medical condition of the boy is directly related to the injuries that were caused to him, or these are independent medical issues with the boy. To determine the same, we require the Health Department of the Government of Assam to constitute a medical board in the Gauhati Medical College and Hospital for examination of the boy and determine as to whether the present adverse medical condition is related to the injuries allegedly caused during the period of his custody with the police, or it is because of any independent medical cause. The medical board may also give a suggestion as to what further medical treatment is required to give to that point. Lordship, the report was submitted, sir. On 15/6/2023, Lordship has recorded the interim report of the medical board has been produced before the court, which shows that the victim had been advised for psychiatry, pneumonic consultant and biochemical radiological investigation, and that and the final opinion can be given only after receiving the report of the biochemical and radiological investigation. The interim medical report launched, it was placed before the.
Okay. 50% usability. Yes. 50% usability. Doesn't have.
Then Lordship may kindly come to the order dated 19/7/2023. On 14/6 report has been placed before the honorable court. On 15/6 there is a order. I'm taking a lordship to order dated 19/7/23. With reference to our earlier order dated 15/6/23, it is taken note of that there was a requirement, if necessary, to provide appropriate medical treatment to the victim boy, as may be deemed appropriate by the medical authorities. It is stated that the victim boy was produced before the authorities in the GMCH, but after the medical report has been prepared, he was released from GMCH. But it is stated that the medical condition of the boy, prima facie, indicates that there is a requirement of further medical treatment to be meted to him. But here I'm pausing for a moment. On 21/7/2023, when the medical superintendent of Bongaigaon Civil Hospital has given a report, in his report he has indicated that after 2 days conservative treatment, the patient improved and accordingly discharged from hospital at about on 7/3/2016 at about 10 a.m. with advice for medication and checkup after 7 days. Medical documents are there. Lordship, kindly see what type of medicines were administered to him. But no such serious injuries were detected, and in fact that particular thing, the report of the superintendent also indicates the opinion. In my opinion, the above mentioned injuries are simple in nature, cold injuries of 4 to 5 days in duration, and caused by a blunt object. So my respectful submission is that the simple injuries, with some bruises and all, which the doctor has detected after 4 or 5 days in his treatment on 7/3/2016, are not the result of the physical condition which were found in 2023 by the GMCH. In fact, during deliberation or some conversation, it came to me, that the boy suffered from some disability. It is possibly from earlier. He had some earlier from his tenderage.
This case has been charged already. Just against Mr. Secretary.
Yes. In fact, after investigation, honorable court directed him to lodge the FIR. After investigation, we found that the informant has some role, and charge sheet has been filed against him.
The investigation which was directed by this court
Not-
pertaining to the allegations made that he had sustained injuries, that investigation had culminated into a charge sheet.
Yes.
What is the stage of the trial?
That information I have to take.
75 of change.
That I have to take.
How come he's a witness himself?
Witness. The information was lost by Deepak Sikya pursuant to the order of this court.
Yes.
So he was the informant,
He is also charged
but he has been charge sheeted now.
because the honorable court has directed him.
Informant has been charged.
Ultimately, after investigation, some guilty was found on his part.
342, 320 wrongful confinement, then simple heart, 320, 75 of JZ. This is the case.
Logic.
302 case is different.
Logic. That is that original 302 is different. This is it.
Can we see the prayer? Your prayer, Mr. Kodita. You are paying for
Yes.
praying for
Yes,
compensation.
ma'am.
How much compensation have you are you claiming?
My lord, at least 5 lakhs, my lord.
So these are all unliquidated. These are all palliative in nature.
Yes.
If you want to sue for damages, you can approach the civil court.
Also,
This
that's a tort.
Yes.
To give evidence.
in the public law remedy on prima facie finding, it's a palliative kind of a
Yes, my lord.
relief. Mr. Nath, what do you suggest?
That amount has already been, we have already paid 2 lakhs.
2 lakh, yes.
2 lakhs has been paid. And that option is already, that's already with the petitioner. He can very well,
No, that's a different, that's under the tortious liability. Under public law, he says that his victim is bedridden now. The son of the petitioner is bedridden.
Lordship will-
We do not know whether it's the result of this, but a young boy of 16 years, 16 and a half years,
the injuries, the medical reports, Lordship are vital. Lordship, seeing the medical report suggests that it's a simple injury. Subsequent reports are also before the Lordship, that it doesn't say that because of the, it cannot be, there is no proximity, Lord. It cannot.
let us see the medical reports.
Reports are there before the Lordship.
They submitted by way of an affidavit. Directly. What date, madam? Just a minute, please. Okay. Just a minute, we have not 14. One we have got, madam, is 21-3. Is 121-3 letter to you, Miss Santana Sharma. Third 21-3, one letter was addressed to you by Superintendent Gauhati Medical College. When 21-3 is the letter to you. Yes. Okay. Medical board. Medical board. 23. Medical board to see his accessibility to do work. His condition. Yes, you tell us, suggest, how do we, this matter is pending since long.
There was a government notification, some
Mr.
victim.
Kalita has said that the son of the petitioner is not in a position presently to do any work.
Yes.
But
Government victim compensation scheme also there, my lord. In 1st February 2019, my lord, notification is there, my lord. As per the notification, my lord, minimum or maximum 4 lakhs is there. My lord.
4 lakhs is, do you have a copy of the?
Yes, my lord.
but, provided he is a victim of the injuries inflicted. This case is also reported in
Column 3, my lord.
Mm.
It will cover.
There are reports, medical reports. In fact, one report is of 20th of March 2025.
Mm.
Several reports are. And in that the report, the medical board is opined that I have.
No, but Mr. Nath, without going into all these nitty-gritties, we have seen that pursuant to the direction of this court, our investigation was made, which has culminated into a charge sheet. That means there, prima facie, there are certain materials. Whether in the trial somebody is found to be guilty or not, that's a different aspect. So in that view of the matter, and son of the petitioner is bedridden, he is not in a position to be appointed or employed. That option is already out. In fact, that option, we are also not very serious. Whether in a matter of this nature, employment can be given. But what about the compensation? Victim compensation? See, certain factors you cannot ignore. He was a minor. These are not disputed. He was a minor. He was taken into custody. He may not be in custody for 3 days, but he was in custody for 18 hours, which is prima facie, which is illegal.
That I can't deny.
And there has been some injuries. Let us be very fair and frank. There has been some injuries. Whether those injuries are of major nature or minor, we are not into those aspects. But there has been injuries on a minor in police custody, for which petitioner claims that he has been, son has been rendered almost, he is bedridden. We do not know whether it's a proximity, about the proximity, whether he was suffering from anything else. But prima facie, these 3 conditions, age of the son, fact of taking into custody, keeping his custody in 18 hours, then suffering injuries in the custody.
It happened in the month of February 2016. And kindly see the report which I have just placed. It is of March 2025. The medical board
No,
opined.
medical board is not on the injuries. Medical board is whether he is will be in a position for appointments. Skills chemistry. We are not on those.
In fact, that was the condition. What I am submitting before your lordship, that was his condition, physical condition in the month of March 2025. Now in 2026, he is bedridden because he was good. His condition was good. It was a simple injury. But now, if afterwards he develops something, and there is no proximity, and the injury has no injuries are
Say, Mr. Nath.
Consequence of
Say,
this.
Mr. Nath. Providing an much bigger burden upon the state.
That's true.
And that in spite of there being a board examination, Mr. Kalita has very fairly said that he is not in a position for any government or any job.
I'm not on that. My humble submission.
With that premises, what do you suggest?
My humble submission. That I would, my respectful submission is that already my lordship has given an amount of compensation to the petitioner for the wrong. Whatever it is, I am submitting that for the wrong. And the scheme doesn't come to him because whatever is the condition of the petition as on today, as has been informed my learned friend, that is not because of that particular wrong. And lordship will not go by that scheme. And so far I am indicating the report only to indicate the status, the status of the petitioner, condition of the petitioner. His condition was not, it was good. He developed something after 9 years, 10 years.
See, there is a scheme prepared by you. You are saying that he will not fall into the scheme. Scheme categorically says that minor victim of physical abuse. 2 to 4 lakhs.
2 lakhs have been paid.
2 to 4 lakhs.
It's a minor, that's a broad, minor, a victim is a minor physical abuse. It can be, it can include this kind of by any authority, abuse by any authority also. But it can be, for example, it can be physical abuse of a minor domestic abuse. There are also, that will also be some kind of, there are also broad category. Nicely made. It's good.
I leave it to your lordship, further 1 lakh rupees may be due, and lordship, I'm objecting, but in that case, lordship may consider that.
Okay, we'll pass the appropriate orders. Okay. Heard. Kikolita.
Yes, sir.
Learned counsel for the petition. Also heard. Sri D. Nath, learned senior advocate Assam. Along with Ms. S. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, Para. Hearing is concluded. Reserved for judgment. Reserved for orders.
My submission is that compensation may be combined to that already amount.
Whatever is paid is sufficient. According to you.
Flood.
Can you, I think,
Yes, ma'am.
21 through 25.
Flood.
You give a copy of this.
Malam. The medical report.
The medical, no, the medical, yes, medical report.
Your lordship may observe the procedural lapses of relating to the minor, juvenile. That is also read.
Yes.
Published.
Is it us? You will return it on the date of the. Okay.
Published.
I have two matters, my lord, item 4 and 5, my lord. 4 may be taken on the next week, my lord, and I will argue, my lord, item 5, my lord. 5 maybe.
5 to.
Yes.
Madam, 5 will take.
Or he'll serve me a copy, or I don't have, so I requested him.
You are an expert, madam. You don't need copies. Expert in foreign matters.
Expertise is really needed in the different fields. Every field of knowledge is expanded too much. Expertise is necessary.
Five,
Item 5.
yes. About, I have challenged the order dated 37/2019, my lord. First in FT case number, my lord. 23/2017.
Just give us 1 minute. 3, 2.
Lordship, can I just take a moment, Lordship? I want to show Lordship.
Yes, what is it?
Lordship, we discussed yesterday, is in that judgment.
What is it?
I gave to bring Lordship, it was at page 18. So I was working to Lordship. I've been banging my head since yesterday to find this. Page, Lordship will come to page 18, Lordship.
Don't find it at the right time.
Lordship found it. Last week, Lordship had taken up.
No, madam, you are not correct. These are not the findings of the court. These are the findings of the tribunal. It's extracted. It may be approved, but these are not High Court findings.
But we have these findings in some judgment.
Some judgment, it's okay, but you see you have missed the quotation. Quotation ends at I have analyzed. When we have seen I have, this court was really looking into the part. I means the tribunal has said. You kindly see page 18, third paragraph, quotation ends. The entire extract, opinion has been extracted.
Opinion.
Huh? It's the opinion of tribunal. There is not High Court findings.
I will search.
There are other matters.
This actually India Kanun. It's a free service. It is also.
You take out the certified copy. If you take out the certified copy, you will find that this extracted portion in italics. You see, after a third paragraph in page 18, you will find the quotation, the close.
They are rendering useful free service, but they don't do for.
Third paragraph of 18.
Format.
Third paragraph. Yes. The quotes are over.
Lordship, another thing, Lordship last week said that Lordship would take up in the judgments the duties of the cow and that I thought it was required for that.
Kad Bhanu.
Perhaps we can find the original judgment from our website, High Court, probably. No?
Did try to find it out, we'll get it, Lordship.
Nowadays they are uploaded. What is the year of the judgment?
Yes, Mahiruddin, 526. Mahiruddin. Okay.
The formatting no right now.
Yes.
Yes. The
Your date of birth, year of birth, date of birth,
in and around 1976, madam.
around
Yes, madam.
year of birth.
Year of birth 1976, 77, madam. She is the daughter of one Himmat Ali, alias Hikmat Ali, and that granddaughter of Lord Salimuddin.
Your impugned opinion is 37, 2019.
Yes, madam. Page 82, madam.
Which FT? Number 3, Borpeta.
Number 3, Porpeta, madam. She is the daughter of one Himmat Ali, alias Hikmat Ali.
Mother?
Mother,
Let us
madam,
let us
Nabiron Nisa.
let's see the documents.
Yes, my lord.
Which documents?
My lord, her father's name has been appearing in the voter list right from 1966, my lord, which is at page, my lord, 19, my lord. Himmat Ali, serial number 923,
Just a minute. This is 1966.
66, my lord.
This is exhibited.
Yes, my lord.
Exhibit A.
Exhibit A, my lord.
Who is there? Sahab. Who is Sahab?
Shahabuddin is the my lord, uncle of the petitioner, my lord. Paternal uncle. Father's name is Himmat Ali, my lord.
Sahab Ali, uncle.
Uncle.
Satan.
She is Khat Banu.
She is Kadban. Yes.
Satan. Himmat. Father, Himmat Ali's father,
Yes, my lord.
28 years.
28 years.
Yes.
Then, my lord, 1970, my lord, which is at page, my lord, 22, my lord. Relevant is 23, my lord. Here, my lord, it is written as
19?
Hikmat Ali, my lord. 23 page, 23.
Now, what is the, what are pages 20 and 21?
20 and 21, my lord, another voter list, my lord, 1966, my lord, where, my lord, her paternal uncle's name, Muhammad Ali, he is DW3, my lord. He also appeared before the tribunal, my lord, and deposed on oath that the petitioner happens to be her own niece. My lord.
Niece. 21, 1966.
Muhammad
And-
Ali and Nahatun Bibi. Nahatun Bibi is the grandmother, my lord, of the petitioner, my lord.
Muhammad Ali. Uncle. 23. No, don't be. Who is Nahaton Bibi?
Nahatun Bibi is the grandmother of the petitioner, my lord. She stayed with Muhammad Ali, my lord.
Which village?
My lord,
Which village? Jonia.
Zania, my lord.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, my lord, 1970, my lord. Here, my lord, one name has been inserted, my lord. The petitioner's father, my lord, Hikmat Ali, 1061, my lord. Serial number.
this is an exhibit.
Exhibit B, my lord. It was.
Then what was the earlier exhibit? Muhammad Ali? Muhammad Ali was not exhibited.
Perhaps that was not exhibited.
Not exhibited.
Yes, my lord.
Why have you written exhibit here? What is written? Foreigners tribunal, some exhibit is there. Come to page 21. Just near the folios.
Oh, yes, my lord. It was also exhibited, my lord.
Huh?
It was also exhibited, my lord. A1, some, yes, my lord. In this document was also submitted, my lord.
70 contains Hikmat Ali.
Hikmat Ali, my lord. Father's name Salimuddin. House number same, my lord.
Hikmat Ali, there is a little bit of error. Himmat has been written as Hikmat.
Himmat and Hikmat.
Father 33 years.
Hikmat and Himmat, same person.
Same person.
Father.
Father, my lord.
Okay, next.
Then, my lord, 1985, my lord. Himmat and Nabirunnisa, my lord, the parents of the petitioner, my lord.
Again, same problem. From 70, you jump to 85.
Yes.
In all cases, why?
My lord, certified copy, my lord. After
That is the most crucial
5 to 10
period.
years gap, my lord.
Crucial period. Most crucial period.
Yes.
Himmat Ali, father, and
Nabirunnisa is the mother, my lord.
mother, 35.
Yes.
Dunya.
Zania. But thereafter, my lord, page 26, my lord. The petitioner's brother, my lord, on Nagor Ali, my lord. An FT case was also registered against her brother, my lord. And he appeared by filing written statement, my lord, and the same documents were submitted, my lord. And by the order dated, my lord, 14/9/2015, my lord, her brother has been declared to be a not foreigner, my lord.
Hmm?
Her brother, my lord, Nagor Ali.
How is Nagar Ali your brother?
But I have stated in one paragraph number,
No, your stating will not do.
my lord.
Where is the document to show
Docu-
Nagar is your brother?
Documentary link.
This Nagar is from village Mohammadpur.
Mohammadpur, my lord. Yes, my lord.
He's not from Junia. His
They
father may,
originally they hailed from Zania, my lord.
his father may be Himmat Ali alias Hikmat Ali.
Yes,
There
my
may be many Himmat Ali.
Yes.
But how is this Nagar? And whether your brother has been declared an Indian,
Yes, my
that will
lord.
not make any difference.
Yes, my lord.
These are specific reference.
As because, my lord, her father, my lord, he was having a plot of land, my lord, at village, my lord. After the demise of her father, my lord, the petitioner's name as well as her other brothers and sisters' name has been mutated, my lord, in the Sababandi, my lord, which is at page 36, my lord. 36 relevant portion is at page 37, my
Number,
lord,
what is 30, 30, 31, 1997?
1997.
Who's there? Hikmat.
Hikmat.
Hikmat is father.
Salimuddin. Same one.
No, Hikmat is father.
Hikmat is father.
Then
Nabirunnisa is the mother, my lord. Sagar Ali, brother of the petitioner, my lord.
Sagar.
Sagar. He is TW2, my lord.
Brother.
Brother.
And Abida.
Abida, wife of Nagor, my lord. Nagor Ali.
Who's Nagar?
My lord.
Who is Nagar?
Nagor is the brother of the petitioner, my lord.
Where is the common voters list?
A common voter list, my lord. Jawabandi copy is there, my lord.
No, voters list.
Voter list.
Why Nagar is not here?
Yeah. Nagor is not there. Her wife's name has been there. Yes, because my lord, and
Then what about 33?
page
2010?
33, my lord. Voter list of 2010, my lord.
Who are there?
Another, my lord, Hikmat Ali, father, my lord. Nabirunnisa, mother of the petitioner. Sagar Ali.
Hikmat Ali.
Yes.
Oh, that was it. Nabir and Nessa. There are two Nabir and Nessa.
Nabirun Nessa is her mother, my lord.
There are two.
Perhaps
Wait.
not Sagor Ali's wife, my lord. Her name is has also been recorded as Nabirun Nessa, my lord. Wife of Sabor Ali. Sabor Ali means Sagor Ali.
No, no. Sagar is different. Rather 35. Nabiran.
Nabirun.
Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law same name.
Same.
29. Okay, we'll come back at.
Found another judgment which I'm just,
Name.
Sufia Khatun.
Sophia we have.
Like, Your
Sophia.
Lordship, I'm going to find them.
Sophia we have. No, it was cited on two occasions. Therefore, the confusion arises that Mahiruddin. We are at page 33.
Yes, my lord. This is complete, my lord. Next, my lord, page 34, my lord.
Jamabani.
Vernacular is at page 36, my lord. Jamabandi, my lord, where the petitioner's name has been recorded, my lord, in place of her father, my lord, Hikmat Ali.
Jamabandi is of which year?
My lord, it is, my lord, 2028, my lord.
Huh?
No, 2018, my lord. The relevant portion is at page, my lord, 37, my lord. May I read, my lord? চক্ৰ বিষয়াৰ 27/3/2018 তাৰিখৰ নামজাৰি
Where is your name first? At
my lord.
serial number?
Her name is at serial number, my lord.
What is your name?
Kadbhanu, my lord.
Kadbhanu.
Yes, my lord.
Where are you?
Kadbhanu. Serial number 13, my lord. Page 37, 13.
Yes. What is the endorsement?
And চক্ৰ বিষয়াৰ 44 তাৰিখৰ হুকুমতে, my lord, শ্ৰী হিম্মত আলীৰ স্থলত জবেদা খাতুন পিতা মৃত হিম্মত আলী আৰু ফালাতুন নেছা পিতা মৃত হিম্মত আলী, খুদেজা বেগম পিতা মৃত হিম্মত আলী আৰু কদ ভানু পিতা মৃত হিম্মত আলী আৰু সাগৰ আলী পিতা মৃত হিম্মত আলী আৰু নাগৰ আলী পিতা হিম্মত আলীৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হ'ল। After the demise of her father, my lord, the petitioners as well as her other brothers and sisters name has been restated, my lord, in place of their deceased father, my lord.
Now, why is it mutated?
Her father expired, my lord. After expiry of their father.
This is of 2018.
18.
When did your father pass away?
Father passed away, my lord.
What are the names here? Zabeda Khatun.
2012, my lord. Para 12.
Okay.
Therefore, my lord, she entered into marriage, my lord,
Hmm.
with one Abdul Malik, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, entered into marriage with one Abdul Malik, my lord, and her name has been recorded for the first time, my lord, in 1997.
When was the marriage?
Marriage took place, my lord.
With Abdul Malik?
Yes, my lord. 1995, my lord.
Okay.
And
Where is
her
the voter list?
voter list at page number 38, my lord.
But this 38, this is the voter.
As because, my lord, her name has been recorded as D voter, my lord. Hence, certified copy, my lord, of the voter list could not be obtained, my lord. And the first time when she became voter, my lord, and the first voter list, my lord, she has been marked as a D voter, my lord.
After her marriage. After
After
her
her
marriage, she
marriage.
was marked as D.
After her,
We always wanted to ask you why a voter list with D cannot be, certified copy cannot be granted, given?
They are not provided.
That is it. Why? It's a certified copy, whether it's marked. If
Yeah.
it is not marked D in the original, certified copy will also have D mark.
yes, my lord.
So why can't you have
That
it?
cannot be obtained, my lord, from the
Why?
That is a
election
convention,
office, my
that
lord.
has become a convention or some rule is there?
The reason, my lord, has not been
Should be
explained, my
given
lord.
actually.
These are not that they are not being certified copy.
Yes.
Verified sounds as restrictions are fine. We immediately provided them, but so they are making this.
For obtaining the certified copies, my lord, the writ petition should have been filed, my lord. That is the.
No, that is a different matter, but
Yes, my
it
lord.
is not a fact that.
In the election office, my lord, they simply said that no, my lord, no, you have been marked as a D, so certified copy would not be.
But if you file a writ petition, then it's given.
On their instruction, they will provide.
On the government
Yes,
instruction,
my
they
lord.
give.
Yes, my lord.
Then you have to file an additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit, my lord. My lord, most of the people are below poverty line, my lord.
Because of the we have been not been provided, so the court.
Yes, yes.
So that we have not faced any such petition that there any petition coming with the grievances because these marks have not been provided. Is there submission? The electoral law is already in their document.
Yes, my lord. When a person is marked as a D, certified copy.
So if 97 you are marked D, this 2008 Jamapandi is much.
Yes, my lord.
It's a later
From
period.
1997, my lord, till date, my lord, her name has been duly recorded in the voter lists, but against her name D is tagged, my lord. Till today, my lord, she is a regular voter, my lord. But D is tagged against her name without any showing any reason.
What about the 95 elections, 96 elections? What happened? Elections were held in the year 1996. You are is it 1976?
For the first time, my lord, she became the voter only in 1997, my lord.
No,
That took
cannot be. This voting aspect has, it was made 18 in before 1989. So there was an election in 1996, March.
Yes, my lord.
What had happened there?
That time, my lord, she was not, my lord, voter, my lord.
That is a question which you have to answer.
Yes, my lord.
96 March, there was an election.
There is an election, my lord, but her name was not inserted, my lord.
So your only document to link with your father
Yes, my lord.
is the Jamabandi.
Jamabandi copy. Jamabandi copy, Gaubra certificate, and her elder brother, my lord.
Where is the Gambura certificate? You have not showed.
Gauhati certificate was there, my lord. But
Which page?
here, my lord, perhaps I have not annexed, my lord, that certificates, my lord. That was proof, my lord.
Jamabandi, then elder brothers,
Elder brothers have been examined, my lord.
no, you saying link documents are the Jamabandi, then
Jamabandi,
and
in
Bro-
Jamabandi copy,
and
her elder
brothers-
brother's name has been recorded, my lord.
brothers
Tagore
name
Ali.
in the voters list.
Sagar Ali. Sagar Ali deposed, my lord, as DW2, my lord.
Now, what is the Gambura certificate dated? It's in record.
Yes, my lord.
Who proved?
My lord. Gauhati was.
Did he come? Did he come? No.
No, my lord.
How many witnesses?
4, my lord.
4 DWs.
4 DWs.
Who?
Perhaps Gauhati has been examined, my lord. No, my lord. Her elder brother, her
For
paternal
DW
uncle Muhammad Ali,
DW1
and
is the
DW4, my lord.
DW1 is the petitioner.
DW1 is petitioner, my lord.
Then
DW2 is Sagar Ali, my lord, who happened to be the elder brother of the petitioner, my lord. DW3, her paternal uncle, and DW4, my lord, her husband, my lord.
okay.
In the reference, my lord, if the reference is accepted to be true, my lord, then, my lord, the reference itself is a linked document with the petitioner, my lord, with her father, my lord. As because, my lord, her name has been written as Kaut Bhanu, daughter of Hikmat Ali.
That has to be dictionary. That is not a proof.
Yes, my lord. If the reference is accepted to be true, my lord, in the reference itself says that she is the daughter of Hikmat Ali.
So in the reference, if the father's name is not given, you will say it's a vague reference against whom we do not know.
Well, that's a purported father, actually.
Yes.
That cannot be a proof.
But I think doubtful
You
whether it
have
will
to
be.
show that you are the son of the daughter of so-and-so.
But that is also
Yes,
true.
my
It's an
lord.
interesting point,
Yes,
actually.
Jamabandi copy itself, my lord.
Jamabandi, okay, Jamabandi.
After expiry of their father, my lord, their names have been recorded in place of their father, my lord.
Gambura certificate, the Gambura not examined.
Gauhati not examined, my lord.
You're right, actually. That is an interesting point. Actually, the reference should
Yes, my
say
lord.
like
If
this,
the inquiry officer,
that,
if the inquiry officer
uh,
visited the
A-
house of the petitioner, my lord.
A stated to be the daughter of B.
Yes,
something
my
like
lord.
that.
Yes.
Otherwise, this point can be made, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Whether it is acceptable or not, is another matter, of course.
So, my lord, I think, my lord, under section 9 of the Foreigners Act, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, burden has been proved, my lord.
Burden has been discharged, not
Discharged,
burden has
my
been
lord.
proved. You do not prove a burden.
Yes, my lord. She has discharged her burden, my lord, by
Okay.
examining vital witnesses, my lord.
It's a pine.
So, my lord, he may be declared to be a Indian, my lord.
The entire case boils down, my lord, to be Jamabandi could be.
Yes.
Otherwise, there is no documents. Because Gauhati certificate is not good. And the other, there is no link document at all.
Mr.
Gauhati certificate not
Have your seat.
Not,
Have your seat.
Yes,
We'll come back to you if you.
let us see whether the Jamabandi copy. Jamabandi is page 36. And the 11th portion is page 37. First of all, my lord, this proceeding initiated will be back in 1997, probably. And this notice he received, the WS filed in 2017 itself.
Proceeding started when?
Proceeding started, my lord.
2012.
So once before this, my lord,
2017.
16 months.
RFT case number 2016. And the case was registered, the FT case was registered in 2017. See, 5 WS in 2017. 5 WS 2017. On 28/11/2017. The WS was filed on 2017.
Yes.
So this Jamabandi, my lord, I don't know. This is annexure D1, my lord. This was not exhibited. This was annexed as annexure D1,
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, not exhibited.
not exhibited.
That document is with the report, my lord.
Yes, the document
That
is. in the
document was
report.
submitted. my
But
lord.
who had proved it?
That
Not,
is-
that's why it is annexure.
that is
Oh.
why
It was not exhibited.
it was annexed, my lord.
It was
Oh,
not
Because,
ah.
my lord, earlier, my lord.
Because why it could not be exhibited, my lord? Because the WS file prior to obtaining of this Jamabandi.
Yes,
And in Jamabandi, my lord, not a single whisper about this land, neither about the land.
Not in Java, in the WS.
In the WS file. In the WS, there is no whisper about this Jamabandi, nor about the land of his parent, grandparent, or that she has, my lord, she has acquired the land by way of, my lord, inheritance. There is no whisper about.
That is where I asked, what is the date of the Jamabandi? Say
Jamabandi,
2018.
18,
Yes, 18.
WS already filed on 28/11/2017.
17.
But at least land should have been mentioned.
Yes. The father land, there is a land in the name of father.
Should have
in the
been.
name of grandfather. Interestingly, my lord. This Jamabandi, if your lordship may kindly say page 36. This Jamabandi is of page 36, my lord, village name is Topa Juli.
Yes.
Copa.
Topa Juli. Page
Topa.
56, my lord.
Pazuli.
This Topa Juli is not there mentioned neither in the 1966 footer list. If we see, my lord, the 66 footer list
Where do you get Kopajuli?
in the page 36, my lord,
Muza, village,
village.
Tapa,
Tapazuli. Tapazuli.
Yes.
Tapazuli.
Tanzania, circle backward.
Hmm.
Now, if we see the mother, the footer list of the petitioner's father.
They are from Junia,
Yes, they are.
Jonia and under Mohammadpur.
Mohammadpur.
They
Yes,
have
my lord.
stated in WS that they have.
Under the same Mauza, my lord.
There is no.
Zonia
mistake.
Mauza.
They were there in Tapazuli in any point of time.
No, my- I.
Oh, we will come,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
come to you. Have a seat.
There
Make
is-
your points, we'll come to you.
Yes.
There is no whisper in the WS. So this document, my lord, which was not exhibited before the tribunal. This document which was not exhibited before the tribunal, which was not proved by anyone, my lord, who has written this document. No, the village name is different from other documents of the projected father. The entries which were made, my lord, the mutation which were made after the WS is filed. And there is no mention of land in the WS. This cannot be accepted a valid piece of evidence at this is this. For all these reasons. The tribunal, my lord, tribunal, we being, my lord, as this is certain principle of law, we being certiorari jurisdiction, my lord, we may not accept this document. We may not look into this document. However, if we look, my lord, appreciate this parts also of the document also, this document has to be appreciated in a whole manner, not in part. The anomalies there in the, my lord, village names, this mutation was done after the, my lord, WS is filed, not mentioning in the WS. All these things, my lord, has discarded this document as a very piece. So if this document is not there, my lord, apart from other discrepancies, there is no link document at all. That's the only case, man. Other things are not there. The Gauhati certificate is not proof. And even in WS also, even evidence also, he has not mentioned about this land. Evidence of PW1. So my submission is, my lord.
So at what stage this with Jamabandi was brought into the records?
My lord, probably later stage they have filed by way of documents, but it cannot be exhibited because it was neither pleaded in the WS nor given in the during the time of evidence.
When was the evidence given by?
Evidence was given on, my lord, the evidence on
4/10/18.
4/7/2018.
4/10/18.
Hmm?
Yes. No, no, no. Cross preceding.
Like cross.
Oh, yes.
Evidence filed on 4/7/2018, my lord.
Let us see the evidence.
Evidence at page, my lord, 54. 4/7/2018. First para ending inhabitant of village so and so Mohammadpur. Here also she has clearly stated she is a resident of Mohammadpur, my lord. And myself is Kaspanov, born in the village Jamia, so and so. Who was born in village so and so. That my grandfather name is so and so. That my father had 3 brothers, including my father's so and so. I have 6 brothers and sisters, including myself, Sagarali, Nagarali. That my uncle's father's name, Saheb Ali and Himmat Ali, so and so, exhibition certificate of 1966 voter list. Then para 7 minorities of 1970 voter list. Para 8 mother name is so and so, appeared in the voter list of 1985. Then 1997, my parents along with other family members shifted to village so and so. Here they have shifted to Mohammadpur. Then my parents and brothers so and so name are appearing in the list of 97/2003. That my name marked D in 1997. That is, certificates has been issued by the Gauhati, Jania and Mohammadpur. Then my grandfather's name is so and so. Name so and so. That my father-in-law is so and so. And my stepmother is so and so. This is about the about the father-in-law's family. Then para 16 also my mother-in-law's. It's with regard to the mother-in-law's family. Then para 17 with regard to husband's name. They appeared in the electoral voter list so and so. That my son's second party home name appeared in the school certificate so and so. Then 19 my lord certificate has been issued by the Gauhati village Mohammadpur as linked. Then para 20 that my grandfather actual name is Salimuddin. That is there. Discrepancies has been my lord. The name discrepancies has been explained in this para 20. And para 21 that I am the son of so and so Indian necessary definitely fine. This is the only evidence. Even this, even this document, if we accept this document, the mutation was done. According to them, mutation was done in prior to filing of this.
That is what we are concerned, Mr. Islam. That is where we are concerned. This order, mutation order is of 27/3/2018.
18.
But this evidence was filed months after that.
This evidence, we have just checked, it was filed on 4/7/2018.
Months after. Then also it is not mentioned.
Not even mentioned.
There may be some mistake on the part of the.
No, not
Yes,
mentioning the Jamabandi,
Because,
that is okay.
yes, madam.
But what about the land that my father had owned land?
Yes.
Then how do you prove? There is not a single document.
So that is why, my lord, I submit before your lordship, my lord. Your lordship has ample power, my lord. Your lordship may be pleased to direct the revenue department, my lord, as to whether this document has been recorded.
Under
in the
what
name of-
jurisdiction?
My lord,
We have ample powers under what jurisdiction? We are examining,
for the ends of justice, for the ends of
we're
justice, my
examining
lord,
the opinion of
Yes,
a
sir.
tribunal.
For the ends of justice, I submit before your lordship, my lord. Your lordship may be directed to the revenue department as to whether that land is belongs to the
We would have done in an
petitioner's
appropriate,
family or
we have to have done in an appropriate,
till
ca-
today, my lord.
Mr.
That
Islam.
land is under the possession of the petitioner. my lord.
we in an appropriate case, we would have done this.
Yes.
Had there been a mention. You may
Yes,
fail
ma'am.
to
There
produce
may
the
be mistake
document.
on the part of the advocate
Okay,
also, my
then-
lord, conducting advocate in the.
Then how did it come into the
Yes, ma'am.
picture?
So, my lord,
If there was a
it's
mistake, how
question
did
of
this come?
Citizenship, my lord. It's a question of citizenship, my lord. For the ends of justice, my lord, that may be done by your lordship, my lord.
End of justice for the nation.
And
End of justice for the nation.
yes, my lord.
Everyone is
Yes, ma'am.
interested with the security of the nation.
That is why, my lord.
The bar,
That
the
is why,
bench,
my
all
lord,
the advocates are on the
that
security
is
of the
why
nation.
I submit to your lordship, my lord.
Individual rights will not be subservient to the nation interest.
Yes, my lord.
You have to prove beyond all the
The
doubt.
Jamabundi copy has been
Sorry.
submitted before the learned tribunal also, my lord.
There is a procedure prescribed, not like
Yes,
that.
my lord.
We are not
For
on
the
appellate
ends of justice,
jurisdiction.
my lord, that may be proved, my lord.
We are not on appellate
And
jurisdiction.
my lord, my humble submission before lordship, my lord, kindly remand the matter, my lord. I will prove the Jabamati copy, my lord.
Make a case of remand. Make out a case of remand.
Nineteen.
The Jabamati copy would.
Make out a case of remand. If you make out a case of remand, that something was there, it has been
Yes.
overlooked, we send it back.
This will be like giving
Otherwise, my
additional
lord,
evidence.
she has discharged her burden, my lord, by educing her own brother, my lord, Shagor Ali, my lord. He has been examined as DW2, my lord.
Let us see his,
And his
let
name,
us see what he has said.
my lord,
Let us see his evidence.
evidence, my lord. DW2, my lord, her evidence in sheet, my lord, at page 63, my lord. And he was closed, my lord.
63.
Her examination is at page 67, my lord. Question put by the tribunal and replies are recorded accordingly. The proceedee is my younger sister. She is aged about 35 years. I have not stated the age of the proceedee in my affidavit. My father's name was Hikmat Ali, not Himmat Ali. My father has two nongs of brothers, namely late Shahab Ali and Muhammad Ali, and three nongs of sisters of my father, but I have not remembered their names. My father has two nongs of sons, myself and Nagor Ali, and four nongs of daughters, namely Zabida Khatun, Khudeza Begum, Falatun Nisa, and Kadbanu.
Hmm.
In the voters list of 1965, I do not explain the husband of Nahatun Bibi. I have supported the exhibit submitted by the proceedee. That is the one. Yes, ma'am.
He has also not stated anything. He is of 2019. His evidence is of 2019.
19.
Nothing he has said. How is it going to help you?
He clearly stated before on oath that the petitioner, my lord, petitioner opposite party, happened to be his own younger sister.
Is that enough?
And
Oral
his
evidence.
name,
Is that enough?
Shagor Ali's name has been recorded in the voter list along with his parents.
No,
Himmat Ali,
his evidence, see, we are on the link. Is it enough, that oral evidence?
and
Any
Shagor Ali's name has
document
been
to-
recorded in the Jamamundi copy also.
Any document to indicate that where the names of her brother and she appearing together? Any document?
Yes, my lord, in 1985 voter list. 1985 voter list, my lord, Shagor Ali's name has been recorded, my lord.
Along
along
with the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
Along with the
Petitioner's
petitioner?
name has not been recorded along with her parents, my lord,
Not
except the
parent-
Jamamundi copy.
Not parents, brother. The proceedee and the brother and her
She
brother.
becomes the first voter in 1997. That too in the house of her matrimonial house, my lord,
Matrimonial.
with her husband, my lord.
Right.
And that time she has been marked as a D voter, my lord.
Hmm.
My learned counsel, my lord, Mr. Payang, my lord, after thorough inquiry, my lord, his inquiry officer found that Kadbanu is the daughter of Hikmat Ali of village Zania.
I have the submission to that point.
Yes, my lord. If the reference is accepted to be true, then, my lord, that document itself is the linked document with her father.
In that case, there is no requirement of any proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
You are not required to go there and defend.
They say that after thorough
Then
inquiry.
why did
that
you
has been
go and
done.
defend? You said the reference is in the name of my father.
Yes,
But what is the link with your father?
yes.
Aren't you required to prove it?
My learned friend is my learned experience.
What is this kind of a submission, Mr. Islam? Make a
lord-
submission which is reasonable.
Yes, my lord. In the reference,
Purported
her
father
name has been
stated
recorded as
to be
Kadbanu,
father.
daughter of
Will
Hikmat
you
Ali.
understand that to be a
And, my lord,
proof?
And, my lord, by the same documents, my lord, her another brother, Nagor Ali, has been declared to be a not foreigner, my lord. Your lordship may be pleased to call for the records of that case also, my lord,
Not necessary.
to come to a judicious findings, my lord.
Mr. Islam, in cases where we have affirmed the opinion
Yes.
regarding declaration, we have made it clear that other family members cannot be declared foreigner solely on the basis of this opinion. that much of protection we are giving on the reverse side. So
Everybody has to.
this will not be a defense for you, that one family member has been declared as Indian
For
citizen.
the ends of
For
justice,
the
my lord,
others, if there was no reference, yes, there's a reference. You have been given a chance. You're not being able to prove anything.
yes, my
Let
lord,
us see
please.
your statement. Where is your statement regarding marriage in 1995?
It is also.
We have seen your evidence, Kadbanu.
Yes.
Your reference to the mother-in-law and father-in-law has come in page 16, paragraph 16. There is no reference to the marriage. When did you get married? When did you shift to the matrimonial house?
My lord, in the conducting advocate, my lord, there may be some mistake, my lord.
No,
on the
no, these
part
are
of
very
the court, my lord.
important.
That's
See,
because, my
your
lord,
arguments
the
are
BS has been
hinging on
well
this.
drafted, my lord.
Your arguments are hinging on this aspect.
Yes,
That I went to matrimonial in 97. First voter list is in my parental home.
Yes.
So where is the date, at least the year of the marriage? You have
Yes,
not
my
stated.
lord. The BS has not been well drafted, my lord.
That is why it is
That
important.
is why, my lord. And for that, my lord, she is suffering, my lord. Actually, my lord, she is not a foreigner of any stream, my lord.
Okay. And you want to address on that
Yes,
electoral, this notice?
yes. My lord, we can this is WPC 3917 of 2016. 3917 of 2016. Rupali Bibi, my lord. Party's name.
Z-O,
RUPALI.
or Rupali,
Yes. Rupali Bibi.
B-I-B-I.
Yes, EIBI.
What is the case?
3917 2016.
Date,
Date of judgment is 13/2/2018. Now this is para 12, my lord.
Hmm.
Because my lord, the my lord, the illicit, the my lord, reference is based on the inquiry made by the my lord, police, or by the DRO. Well, in the my lord, inquiry form, it is given statement given by the my lord, proceeding. So whatever she has stated, that has to be recorded in the inquiry. It cannot be seen. Definitely, the statement 161 statement, my lord, if I record, it's like 161 statement. If I record a 161 statement, if she says her name is so and so and her father name is so and so, I have to record that only. I cannot change it. It's a record statement given by the on the basis of statement given by them on the this statement.
LVO,
LVO. This is not by the LVO, this is by the police
police.
inquiry form. Now here in para 12 it is said, my lord, the court has held in several cases that when the citizenship of person is questioned by the state, it is the bounden duty of the proceeding to disclose at first state itself the material facts which are relevant to establish his identity as a citizen of India, which is necessary, which she has not done. Material facts which have to be pleaded in the written statement, which are thereafter. This is sorry. This is with regard to material facts, my lord. This is with regard to same thing, my lord. Then para 12, it is says the material things has to be, my lord, pleaded in the WS itself. That, my lord, and this court has further that failure to disclose material facts in the written statement by itself may lead to drawal of adverse presumption against the proceeding. Besides, unless the material facts are pleaded, proof of the facts by evidence would not arise. So in this case also, the material facts, my lord, with regard to Jamabandi, it is not pleaded. So proof of that document is not arise. Secondly, my lord, that is para 14, the another point, my lord. My learned friend raising that another question, my lord. Para 14 of this same judgment. Before proceeding further, we may deal with the argument of learned counsel for the petitioner, that mentioning of the petitioner as a daughter of Akbar Ali, in the notice issued by the tribunal.
Paragraph?
Para 14, man. Tribunal was proof of the fact of relationship. Which, my lord, we are afraid we can accept such an untenable argument advanced on behalf of the petitioner. Marking of a notice to a person mentioning therein in the person to be son of so and so of some other persons cannot be construed
As
as
a
the
proof.
proof of the
Yes,
fact.
obviously.
that notice is the son or daughter of that person.
You got a judgment on the point.
Yes,
Exactly.
that is the point. This is mentioned in the notice only for the purpose of identification of the noticee and service of notice. Certainly, it cannot be taken to proof of notice of the notice being the son of.
Mr.
daughter of that person.
We had already put the corollary. If the
Yes.
father's name is
Yes.
not mentioned, then a submission is a vague notice.
Notice.
Who is this Kadbhanu? I do not know.
Yes.
So some kind of identification has to be
Yes.
done.
And this
So
again-
relating with the father.
Yes, and well, as I have already said, madam, the initial inquiry is made after making him, asking him, taking his statement on him. So statement has to be recorded by the police. And on the basis of that statement only disagree. If he gives a false name or she gives a false name, we have no, we cannot change it now. So this is on that
And
one.
she proved her case by educing the evidence as well as by submitting the documents of same person, my lord, Hikmat Ali, my lord,
And secondly.
whom he
that-
claims to be her own
Hikmat
father.
Ali, one of the projected brother whom he is playing to be my lord, the brother of the petitioner, and saying that he has been declared Indian. That fact is also not pleaded, that there is a case pending against his brother and the trial is going on. That is not, if his brother, he should know it, she should know it, my lord. These are facts, my lord, which need to be pleaded in the WS itself. These cannot be, my lord, they will hide it somewhere. And if someone declared to be Indian, he will pick him up and will say that he is my brother, so I may also be given the same benefit. This is not one.
Jababandi copy,
In
that
fact,
cannot
it's-
be done, my lord.
Yeah. In fact, the Supreme Court, my lord, in recently. In the Supreme Court, it is, while saying this, my lord, I forgot the citation. It is saying, brothers, one brother may come prior to 1971. Another brother may come after 1971. So both the facts and circumstances are different. So in that case, each and every case has to be looked separately. So each and every case has to be looked separately.
Before coming his father.
One may prove, my lord, by producing documents and evidence, one may prove that he is a citizen of India. And he may come prior to 1971 also. So in that case, another may come after 71. And secondly, my lord, first of all, they have to prove that they are a brother and a sister. Where is that proof? First of all, she has to prove that I have a brother and who is brother and he is my brother. Where is that proof? That is also another aspect. So all things are there, all these things are there. And as your lordship has rightly pointed out, if one person is declared to be foreigner, the brother cannot be declared to be foreigner on the same. He has against him, there must be a press reference. Then only he can be declared foreigner. Same principle will apply here. In a different case, all the documents has to be appreciated differently, separately. That is the point.
That is why, my lord, I submit you before your lordship, my lord.
Can you give the citation of Supreme Court?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Anything else, Mr.?
That's the only point, I'll provide.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Islam?
And that is why, my lord, I submit it before your lordship, my lord, kindly call for the records of the case of Nagor Ali, my lord. In that case, my lord, the same documents, my lord, of Hikmat Ali's.
We are
document-
examining the documents
Submitted.
vis-a-vis the opinion in your
Yes, my lord.
case.
For the ends of justice, my lord, that is.
Why will you examine the opinion and get ourselves
sir.
influenced by an opinion? Will the opinion guide us?
Her parents hail from Zonia and their names have been recorded in the voter list right from 1966. And her own brother Nagor Ali, my lord.
Okay, we'll consider. Yes. Yes, Islam. And J. Pine, A.I. Ali, RB Bora State Council.
That is an Abdul Qudus case.
And anyone from the central government, A.K. Datta. Please, sir.
Abdul Qudus.
Yes, ma'am. That is an Abdul Qudus case. There are 27.
Which year? This judgment? When?
What is the sir,
2009.
ratio?
Tiketa is
19? Eh? Oh, 2019, 6 SCC. Abdul Quddus. Paragraph, and what is the ratio?
Issue, the main issue there was whether the res judicata will apply to the.
That we know.
That point was decided.
Oh.
While deciding that point, another aspect was there, the same brothers and sister. If one brother is declared to be foreigner, then the another brother can also be declared to be foreigner. And whether that benefit will be given. In that case, it is said that yes, of course, if there are brothers and sisters, there might be proceeding has to be, but it is said, about 28, it is just middle part it is said. Para 20, I'm reading para 20. It was highlighted that there could be contradictory decisions, opinions of the foreigners tribunal, even in case of near family members. And even contradictions can be avoided when family tree hearing are held as is now being undertaken. In the absence of joint decision, conflict is possible as the principle of res judicata would not apply to a separate proceeding, even if against two closely related but different persons. As each case has to be strictly decided on the facts and evidence of record. Each case has to be decided. Secondly, there is possibility that one of the near family members may have migrated to India prior to midnight of 24/1971 and therefore fell in a different category. Any such conflicts, however, would not compel us to take a different view in terms of clear statutory provisions. In a given case, the persons aggrieved would have liberty to invoke this jurisdiction or, if necessary, review jurisdiction before the High Court or this court to ensure that no injustice is done. So liberty is given, definitely. They can file petitions, they can file review matter. But it is clearly said, madam, that there can be two positions. Number one, madam, each and every case has to be strictly decided on the facts and evidence on record. So we have to decide the case. We have to see the case on the facts of the facts and evidence on the record of this case. And second thing, madam, one may come. That's why it is. I said, madam, one may come prior to 24/1971, and therefore he may fall in a different category. But another may come after there. However, if there is conflict, definitely they have to remedy.
Yes, but in this case, my learned friend wants to say that her parents are Indian. They came to India prior to 71, and after 71, their parents went to Bangladesh, and
I'm not saying
the present petitioner was born in Bangladesh. She came after 71.
Because she was born in
And another-
1976.
Yes,
She was born in 1976.
76.
I'm just proposing this.
Yes.
Giving this proposition with my lord, because in each and every case we have to see on the basis of evidence available on record.
Record.
We cannot go beyond it.
Yes.
First of all.
We'll see the records.
So my humble submission before Lordship, your Lordship may be pleased to peruse all the records, my lord. Two cases, my lord. Nagarali's case and the petitioner's case.
That's why I'm saying, my
For
lord.
the ends of justice, my lord.
Even in WS, why he.
Whether the same documents or not.
Against his brother, there is a case pending,
Yes.
which is running there. Why it is not mentioned? This is hiding, brother. They are hiding everything. Once they get the sons, once he is declared, once he has declared to be for Indian, then only he is now in the High Court saying that my brother is there.
Because of fear,
Yes.
proceeding is
These were
going
not
on.
records will say, my lord.
They cannot hide anything. They
A
are-
record will show, my lord.
Now, once getting benefit, for
Yes.
benefit only they are claiming that he is my.
No,
Please.
no.
Yeah, yeah.
Record will show. my lord. Yes.
Reserve. Should be record.
May I please, Your Lordship? In this case, my lord, my father's citizenship is admitted by the judgment opinion itself. And only for link failure, I am declared as a foreigner. Your Lordship may kindly come to
You
the
can
judgment for a moment. Page 74.
If this hearing continues, the rest may not be possible. Mr. Rashid, may not be possible. Mr. Rashid. If this matter goes on, others may not be possible. We will give this, Mr. Alim's matter will take time. We'll continue this.
Any other date next week or?
No, we'll give this. So unnecessarily may not wait. Mr. Blocker.
Boss.
Which is your matter, Mr. Blocker? So Locker was item 11. I felt seven. Which tribunal? Borpeta what? 11 or 3?
11.
11. Okay. Yes, please.
Before coming to my documents, my lord, for a moment, kindly come to page 74, last page of the judgment. This summary portion may kindly be seen. Point number 1, my lord. As per terms of the reference, OP is the son of MD Janavali, which is an admitted fact needing no more proof. So, my father is Janavali, it is admitted. Now, Lordship, kindly come to my documents, my lord. I was born in the year 1961. Although I do not have the date of birth, my lord, my fathers are illiterate. My father and mother's name are appearing in the NRC entry, my lord. Page 18 may kindly be seen, annexure 1. NRC, my lord. But this is issued only by the president of Borpeta Congress Committee, my lord.
How? What,
This is not authentic.
what
document.
evidence, evidentiary probative value will it have?
But I have another copy, my lord.
So
For a
to us-
moment,
to us, the valid documents.
page 20 may kindly be seen, my lord. This is issued by the border branch.
Page 20.
2020.
What is 20?
This is a certificate issued by the border branch, my lord. In the name of my father, that his name is appearing in the NRC record, my lord. In support of this document, I earlier took your lordship to the first document. Here only my father's name is shown to be appeared. The entire family members' name are shown at page 18, my lord.
But NRC, NRC, how much NRC would be constitute to be a proof of citizenship?
This cannot be a independent proof, but it can be used.
Supportive.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Now, lordship, kindly come to page 22. May I take to the vernacular, my lord?
Yes, please.
This is the cell deed. It was executed on 14/2/1968. This is a registered cell deed. My father purchased a plot of land.
What her name?
Jonabali.
What is your date of birth or year of birth?
1961. I do not have any date of birth.
Year of birth.
Year of birth.
You have a date of birth, you do not know the
I
date
do
of
not know. I do not know.
Don't say you don't have a date of birth.
That is
You
also
cannot be
tentative.
born in the entire year.
The year is also tentative, my lord. I have heard.
Year of birth,
61.
Okay.
May I read the relevant portion of the deed, my lord?
What is your name? Chanmia.
Chanmia. I am Chanmia.
CHN. Alias Chanmia.
May I read the relevant portion
Yes,
of the
please.
deed? Borabor Muhammad Janabali, my
Not
father.
required. It's a cell deed by your father, Jonabali.
Yes, my lord.
Of
Now kindly see the
1968.
schedule, my lord.
68.
68. 14 to 68. Kindly see the schedule, my lord. This is a plot of land in the earlier undivided Kamrup district, my lord. Now Borpeta. Kamrup Jilar, Borpeta Mohukumar, Horbhok Thanar Antargato, Kharija Bizni Moja.
Where is the topsil?
Page 24, my lord. First, second, third, fourth, fifth line. Lordship got it.
So hard. Yes, topsil. What is this?
কামরূপ জেলার বরপেটা মহকুমার হরভোগ থানার অন্তর্গত খারিজা বিজনি মৌজার শুক্রংবাড়ি পথারর মাটি পট্টার পুরনি 87 নাম্বার 87 নতুন 129 নম্বর দাগর 8 বিঘা 3 লেসার আৰু পুরনি 88 নম্বৰ 88 আৰু নতুন 128 নম্বৰ দাগৰ 3 বিঘা 3 কঠা 17 লেচা মুঠ 11 বিঘা 4 কঠা মাটিৰ মাজত 1 বিঘা 1 কঠা 10 লেচা মবলগে 1 বিঘা 1 কঠা 10 লেচা মাটি বিক্রি কৰা হ'ল. So this is the land my father purchased in the year 1968, my lord. Now lordship kindly come to the Jamabandi at page 29, my lord. This is the vital document to prove my linkage with my father, my lord. That's because my name is not appearing with my father.
Page?
Page 29, my lord. I am taking to the vernacular, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 4. Sri Jonabali Sheikh, Pita Mrito Haru Sheikh. After purchase of the aforesaid land, cell deed land, my father's name is mutated at serial number 4. Thereafter, your lordship comes to the bottom, serial number 16, 17, 18, and 19. Chanmia, myself, Lalmia, Quddus, and Feddus, my brothers. All are son of Janabali. Now, your lordship, for a moment,
Where is your name in this? San Mia, you're
16.
16.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Lordship, kindly have a little pen to come at page 31, my lord.
3-1.
Yes, my lord. At the top. চিঠাৰ উপপ্ৰতি সমাহৰ্তাৰ 17/1/73 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে খৰিদা দখল সূত্ৰে এই পট্টাৰ 129 নং দাগৰ 1 বিঘা 1 কঠা 10 লেচা জমি ও জমাত মংগীলালৰ স্থলত শ্ৰী জনাবালীৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হ'ল. The seller was Mangilal in the same deed. Now, Lordship, kindly come to the last paragraph of this page. চিঠাৰ চক্ৰবিষয়াৰ 24/3/2005 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে উত্তৰাধিকাৰী দখল সূত্ৰে 1, 2, 4 নং পট্টাদাৰৰ স্থলত 128, 129 নম্বৰ দাগে 1 নম্বৰ মোহাম্মদ হুছেইন আলী, 2 নম্বৰ মোহাম্মদ জামাল উদ্দিন, পিতা আব্দুল খালেক, 3 নম্বৰ ইব্ৰাহিম আলী, পিতা আহমদ আলী, 4 নম্বৰ চাঁদ মিয়া, 5 নম্বৰ লাল মিয়া, 6 কুদ্দুস মিয়া, 7 ফেদ্দুস মিয়া, এই পিতা জনাব আলীৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হয়. So, this particular plot of land after expiry of my father has been mutated in my along with my siblings' name. The sale deed is a document of 1968 prior to 71, which clearly proves my father's citizenship. And this particular Jamabandi, which clearly links myself with my father, my lord. This is the vital document I have in my possession, my lord. Now, lordship, kindly come to page 33. I am regularly paying the revenue of the said plot of land, and till date I am in possession of the said plot of land. Jorina Khatun, this is my wife. In my name, the revenue has been deposited, Sanmia. Although it is a document of 2017, but till that I am in possession of the said plot of land.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 34, my lord. This is the electoral roll of 1971. My father expired prior to 71, my lord. After 68 and prior to 71, my father expired. So, my mother's name is appearing in this particular voter list.
Exhibited.
Exhibited, my lord. Page 35 may kindly be seen. Serial number 251, Asiran Nasa. Husband name Jonab. This is my mother.
Mother's name what?
Lordship,
What is the name of the mother?
Asiran Nasa.
And who are the persons above her? Ahmad Sarkar.
Pardon me, my lord.
Who are the 2 persons above your mother? They are together?
4 brothers.
No, there are two others above your mother.
Yes, my
At
lord.
page 35, who are they?
In the year 1971, I am a little boy, so I cannot say who are those. Maybe some paternal relation, but I do not know, my lord.
Asiron is your mother.
Yes, my lord. Asiran is.
Okay.
Next, kindly come to page 36, my lord. This is a voter list of 1985. My first voter. I have obtained franchise right, my lord. Along with my mother, my name is appearing in this voter list. Serial number 921, my mother's name, and 922, myself, my lord.
Where is your mother? Oh, you are there.
Yes, my lord. My name is appearing along with my mother. 921 serial, my mother, Asiron Nasa, and 922 is myself, MD Chanmia.
Mosa, who is this Mosa Zaran?
Zorina Begum, this is my wife, my lord.
Mossa Zarina.
Jarina Begum. In the revenue receipt, her name is appearing. She paid the revenue in my name. Lordship, kindly note that this is a voter list of village Suprangbari Pathar, the place where my father purchased the land, my lord.
But here you are aged 37 years.
37, my lord.
So
Prior to 1985, there is a voter list of 1983 and 79, I think. But those voter lists are not available in the office, so I cannot obtain this.
where have you stated?
I have not stated my.
No, what the question is, obvious question. If you are 37 years of age in 1985, you must have definitely, your name must have definitely been enlisted in the voters list from you attending age of 21 till 37. It's a long 16 years, 17 years. In that period, where are you? Where is your voters list?
From my practice, I know that 79 and 83 voter lists are not available, my lord. In none of the cases I could found these two voters.
79 and 80. 79 and
83. One or two cases I have found, 1983 and 79 voter list. These are not available. And thereafter ill fate come upon me, my lord. I am
Mhm.
marked as D, my lord. From 1997 onwards.
What is his year or date of birth?
Date, I do not know the date of birth.
1961.
1961. He born towards 1961. And I have, after submission of my written statement,
Yes.
I have examined two Gaubura,
How many total witnesses?
3 witnesses. Myself as PW1 and Gaubura of Suprangabari Pathar and Kolovanga village. At present, I am staying at Kolovanga village for my
Three
livelihood.
witnesses, you are DW1,
DW1
petitioner.
petitioner.
Petitioner DW2, the Gambura.
Gaubura of Sukrungbari Pathar.
And
One,
DW3 also Gambura.
3 also Gaubura. DW2 is Lakhan Sargiari, Gaubura of Sukrungbari, and DW3 is Nazrul Islam. He is the Gaubura of Kalavanga.
Yes.
Till date, my name is appearing in the voter list, but marked as D, and certified copies are not provided, my lord. I have annexed some of the photocopies. I am issued with electors photo identity card also. Lordship, for a moment, kindly come to page 44. This is a voter list of 2016 at Kolovanga. Lordship remembers that my name is appearing in the village Sukrungbari Pathar, where my father purchased land. Thereafter, I am staying at Kolovanga for my livelihood, and here my name is appearing as a regular voter, not marked as D, my lord. Kolovanga village. At page 45, serial number 334, my name is appearing, along with my other family members, my wife, my children.
Who is Asia Khatun?
Asia Khatun is my brother's wife. Jahil Islam. No, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. I do not know Asia Khatun. But others are Fazrul Islam, my son. Jarina, my wife. Jahirul Islam. Sorry, my lord. Jahirul Islam is my son, and Asia Khatun is the wife of my son, my daughter-in-law.
Fazrul is your son.
Fazrul, my son. Jahirul is also my son, and Nozrul is also my son.
Who is this Jarina Khatun?
Jaina Khatun is my wife, my lord.
And Jahurul Islam?
Jahirul Islam is also my son.
And Nazrul?
Nozrul, another son, my lord. I have annulled the Gaubura certificate, and Gaubura is also examined, my lord. So on the face of the record, My vital document is the land document.
Land document.
Land document.
Link document is the land document.
Yes, my lord.
These are all subsequent document with your offsprings, your sons and daughters. Those are not important.
Yes, my lord.
Important is the connect with your father.
My lord. So I do not want to elaborate my submission. So I have discharged my burden by way of
This Gaumbuda certificate was produced by whom? Or was proved by?
proved
48
by
is-
the Gaubura himself.
48 is the Gaumbuda certificate.
Yes, my lord. 48 as well as 50.
What is the date of this? 1/10/3/19.
2019.
10/3/19. But this certificate has page 48. What is the content? He is a permanent resident of this then. Moi Jonat Uporukto.
ওপৰত উল্লেখিত মানুহজন বৰ্তমান কলভাঙা গাঁৱত বসবাস কৰি আছে।
But he is not from Kolabhanga. Is he from Kolabhanga?
কলভাঙা, if your lordship comes to the
He is from Sukrungbari. Here this Gaunbura. He is from Sukrungbari Gaon.
yes, my lord.
No,
My
no,
landed document is at Sukrungbari Pathar.
48, page 48, 48.
And I have a residence also there, Sukrungbari. But now I am living at Kolovanga village.
This Gaunbura is DW?
DW, this is page 48, this is DW3.
He is of Sukrungbari village. Correct?
Sorry, my lord.
He is
Page,
of Sukrungbari village.
page 48, DW2, my lord.
2, you
Two,
said 3.
DW2,
2. He is of Sukrungbari village.
Sukrungbari village. And page 50 is the DW3 from Kolovanga village.
Page 50.
There are two certificates. Gaumbuda has issued two certificates.
Yes, my lord. One is my present village. So,
This,
my lord,
Kolabhanga Gaunbura is DW3
DW3,
and Sukrungbari is DW2.
DW2.
Okay.
If your lordship now comes to the judgment, my lord, my documents are rejected. Page 73 may kindly be seen. Fifth line, my lord.
Hmm.
Exhibit 1. It appears to be a deed of sale in reference of some land, the writings, markings, etc. of which are not discernible and hence rejected. It is rejected. Under the pretext that it cannot be read.
Which para?
Page 73, fifth line, my lord,
From the top?
from the top. The same document I have read before your lordships, my lord. How he could not read, I don't know. Even the,
Exhibit, kindly look into exhibit one document again.
Yes.
Is it illegible?
Exhibit one, my lord.
Correct.
In fact, I cannot read this document, your lordship, I can produce this. This is the original one.
So what has he given in the writ petition? Writ here then closed.
no, Jawabandi na, send it.
Held it, my lord.
Page 22, my lord.
This is number below.
From
Exhibit one.
This is obtained in 2019.
This is exhibit.
Oh, this is a different document.
This is a different.
Deed number 640, my lord.
No, this is a different document. Can you read this? The original.
I have to see, my lord.
You don't cast a aspersion like this. We become very concerned if a judicial officer makes this kind of statement. But see whether this is not the same document. Can you read this, brother? Different document. Different document.
Certified copy হয় সেইটো original হয় নেকি?
দেখুন দিয়া নাই।
There is a signature and then another paragraph. But here, this one is continuous. This is, yes.
Even
Because
otherwise, it is
naked
one.
by it's.
It is so.
Yeah,
It is so. It is so. It is so.
the continuous writing. It's not easy. What is this document? Where is the original of this, which is submitted in?
That is the original product.
Huh?
That is the original one.
No, it doesn't look like.
No, what,
The
Mr.
structure of the writing is different.
Mr. No, it's not accepted. This is the original sale deed. But, and this is a certified copy in the writ proceeding, in the writ proceeding, certified copy.
This is the certified copy, my lord.
But you are making two documents, one there, one here.
This is obtained after the opinion is.
I
passed
did
for
not
us,
see
my
the
lord.
records, my lord.
My lord, opinion is.
Hmm? Opinion or আগত 2019, 9/10, 2019. 6/19.
1960.
So this is obtained prior to judgment, my lord.
But why didn't you produce this before the court? This is not even there before the court, before the tribunal. It should have helped you in a way.
I was on the notion that this document was produced. That is why I am submitting that this is quite clear. But the learned tribunal has said that
This is not readable.
my lord.
Maybe some water also maybe seems to have followed.
Contents are same, my lord.
Grazed. But it's not a photocopy. This is they've
It's original, seems to be. original.
certified. That is why the structure looks different.
Earlier, what happened when you register a document, the original is kept in the record and one certified copy at once given. But now what happens, the original is given at once. It is kept in scanned copy.
But this document is also not the same, Mr. It's not a certified copy of this document. Kindly see, and let us see about the top seal. If there is any top seal readable.
It is not same, but
My lord, may I be permitted to have a glance, my lord?
Yes, please. Nineteen sixty seven. Opinion of it was 1910.
640, 643. Number to say now. 640. Night করিব পারি করিব পারি জনাবালি মুক্ত হারু ঘোষ সুপ্রংবারি করিব পারি লিখিত মাঙ্গিলাল
Janaka.
100% ক্লিয়ার নহয় কিন্তু করিব পারি আর 14268. I think, my lord, this is the same document, my lord. Deed number is also same.
Where do you get the deed number in the original?
In the original at the top, my lord.
You don't know. What is the number
640
of?
of ডেটটা থাকিব না 68, my lord. 14268.
But it was not before the tribunal. If a legible copy was not there, how do you find fault with the tribunal? Even we cannot read it, not even a single line. And this was proved by whom? Question will arise, this is proved by whom?
Certified copy না হয় original document হয় certified copy হলে this is not a certified copy. Had it been a certified copy, then it is a public document
No, this document is proved by whom?
by the petitioner. PW1.
Let us see what is stated here. DW1 page.
DW1 page 56, my lord.
5-6.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, let us see.
No, my lord, page 57, my lord. This is the type copy.
Now
Yeah.
we'll read his chief examination.
This is the chief.
Chief starts where?
Page 59. This is the original copy, handwritten.
When there was no evidence on affidavit. It was not an affidavit.
Not on it.
On oath, my lord, deposition before the tribunal. At the top, it is written deposition on oath. But lordship, in the entire deposition, it is nowhere mentioned the document as exhibited. How it is exhibited before the tribunal, I do not understand, my lord.
You see the written statement.
Written statement there is mentioned, it is at exhibit 1, annexure.
Annexure 1.
There is a list at page 55, my lord, as enclosures. At serial number 3, land sale deed dated 14/2/1968.
Refers to the document. Which are written like this, like the rendering of the land, which has been exhibited by Chandni exhibit as his exhibit 1. But he himself is not mentioned.
Yes. But it is a document produced by the petitioner. He should have stated. The document is produced before the tribunal. And the tribunal sees that this is
Mr. Pang, can you ascertain whether the certified copy which has been enclosed in this writ petition pertains to the document which is exhibit 1A or whatever? We are not going too much into the technicalities. But whether it's the same document,
it can be verified, my lord.
can you just, we'll take a short break, rather we'll take a break. 5 minutes.
Lordship.
This will be the last matter. Madam Ghosh, other matters will not be able to take.
Tribunal member, my lord.
No, no, you cannot read this.
I am taking back that, my lord.
Yes.
Seems to knowledge method genuinely good not.
Yes, yes.
Genuinely,
After
my lord,
going through the
I tried
record,
to
I
read,
have.
my lord.
No, when you said you cannot read, we were surprised because the one copy which has been enclosed to writ petition is readable.
Yes, ma'am.
It's legible. So, but we were not aware that there's another copy which has been produced before the tribunal and a different copy before the court. Maybe it's a certified copy. That's why we are asking you whether it is a certified copy of that
That
original.
document.
Actually, the original copy is like damaged also.
Yes, sir. No, no, that's why, probably about that we, I don't know whether it is how, but it is. Second aspect, madam, even though we accept that there is a post melody and is accepted with father one.
No, what was your first aspect? What did you say? What was your first submission?
First submission, madam, the legal document here is, the another legal document here is Jamabondi.
Yes.
This Jamabondi, according to my learned friend, madam, petitioner, father of the petitioner died in prior to 1971. But from the evidence, madam, seems, madam, evidence by Sanmia in next piece, madam. He has retained. This probably this is father had died in 1979. Part-time.
His mother Asiran died since last. Now lives in village Kolomanga since 2023. Itu mother কথা কৈছে Asiran. He was made devoter.
Father had died in 1989 after the death of our father in the year 2 years before. The man is at level under the occupation of everything who is the son of my son of my brother Lalina, but the news of three four brothers, Sanmia, Lalina, Puttusali, and Titusali is not recorded in the record. One aspect, that aspect I was the Jamabondi could be money. Two aspects of wearing Jamabondi could be. First of all, the name was created in 1973 in the name of projected fund. Even though they, according to them, the father purchased the land in 1968. Even though we say the father purchased the land in 1968, but booted it only in 1973. It is after the cut-off date of 1971. And if my learned friend is right, And there are two propositions. My learned friend is right. He died prior to 1971. This is not there in the evidence. Then how come the dead man muted his name after his death in 1972?
No, he said that father died in 79.
He said prior to 71, that's why 71, his name is not there in the Bhutanese.
Father died prior to 71.
71.
According to him. That's why his name is not there in the Bhutanese. As per person.
And in the mutation is of 1973 in the name of father.
Father. And in fact, here, but here in evidence, it is probably this is third line in the evidence in the second case by Samia. After
Kuntu. Okay, thank you. To backside, it will-
85 voters list, his name is there.
Yes, mine.
Or is it D? D, not D.
Not D.
85 along with her mother,
Yes, mine.
Asiran.
Asiran. And thereafter from 97 onwards, my name is appearing as D. And lastly, in the year
Asiran, so
2016, my name is appearing in separate village, where now I am staying, my lord.
was 65.
Page number 60.
Fourth lineman. Father had died in 1979, according to him.
Oh, yes, that is what we wrote somewhere,
Yes,
79.
the evidence, Tanpia in evidence, see, father died in 1970. If Sanmia died in 79, then another aspect, why his name is not there in the Bhutan list of 1970. And if my learned friend is right, if he died prior to 71, and how can he mutate his name after his death in 1970? There must be a joint application by the mother if it could be mutated. There must be a joint application by his mother.
Jonabali.
Yes, Jonah.
Jonabali.
There must be joint application by the mother.
Jonabal is the father.
Father.
Yes.
Father, my lord.
Sanmia is the proceeding.
No.
So, Ronabal is mother legal heirs. We have filed an application for mutation along with his father, along with their father, who is already died. But here in this case, mother, 1973, projected father have mutated his name after 1960. He said it was registered in 1960. He projected this. My lord, there are two persons. It can be of either a person who died 1970 prior to 71. This name is not available in the Bhutan list of, therefore, this name is not available in the Bhutan list of 1970. And this person, another person who died in 1979. These documents are available from in the Bhutan. He applied and his name is getting the Bhutan list in the documents, the land document in 1970. That can be the best possibilities. Now, another aspect matters. Suppose the father died in 1967, prior to 71, or in 1979. Who stopped them who stopped them for not mutating their name in place of their father from 1979 to 2005? This process initiated in 1997
The mutation has been done when?
in the name of petitioners in 2005. Father died in prior to 71.
In 2005, it was.
First mutation by the father in 1973. Though they, according to them, said it was done in 1968. Then second mutation in the name of the petitioner from the father, 2005. In our name, the petitioners. So if father died in 1971 also, after 71, my lord, prior to 71, after 71, 2005, why did it not indicate their name in the land
All these years.
for near about 40 years? Even 79 also, if 79 died in 79, because the proceeding initiated. So if father died prior to 71, 73 mutation is not possible at all.
If your lordships comes to page 30 of the Jamabandi, it is seen that on the same day 17/173, there are 3 orders, 3 corrections. One is from other person to Mangilal, and thereafter in place of Mangilal some Abdul Khalek, and thereafter this particular one from Mangilal to Janabali. So I think on that particular day, the entire land has been transferred to the persons in whose names it is transferred, my lord. Not for any application, suo motu, my lord.
This is another for the confusion, because according to the Mangilal Manor sold this land to the projected father of the petitioner in 1968, and then Mangilal was not even owner of this land. If we see the Malar, this
Jamabandi order.
yes, Jamabandi man. Sitar উপপত্তি সমাবৰ্তাৰ 17/1/71 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে পত্ৰৰ সমুদায় জমিত পত্ৰদাৰ স্থলত শ্ৰী মংগিলাল মুৰেৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হয়. This is done only in 73. How can Mongilal sold this then in 1968?
Which document? Page? Which document?
Page 29.
Jamabandi.
This exhibit 2 months.
Okay.
But in the, page 29, name of Mongilal is not there above Janab.
So this is a Jamabandi only, not the Chita, the entire.
Understood, but while the name of the earlier owner, the land is transferred, his name gets struck off. Here there is no striking off of Mongilal.
But here Janab's name of Janabali is strike out itself.
Yes, Jonabali is there, Jonabali, but he purchased from Mongilal.
In the top second line, probably it is Mongilal man.
Second is Mongilal.
Yes, my lord.
Second is Mongilal Agarwal.
Mangilal Agarwala. Second was in Mangilal Agarwala.
Okay, yeah, Mongilal is there, correct.
Now this is, that's why my lord, if Mongilal sold it in 19, Mongilal got this land in 1973.
No, Mongilal's name is cut off, struck off.
No, cut. That's cut.
It struck off.
In 65.
When it is sold to him, it will be struck off. But when did Mongilal got this plot of land? In the second page, mine. Next page, mine.
Next page was, yes, please
Third
read.
line is ASOR 61 ইংৰাজী মতে প্ৰিমিয়াম আদায় ক্ৰমে 1372 জগত নতুন ম্যাদীভুক্ত কৰা হ'ল। This is first ম্যাদ। Second parameter, চিঠাৰ উপপত্তি সমাহৰ্তাৰ 17/1/73, this date is very important man। তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে সমুদায় জমি
না পাট্টাৰ
পট্টাৰ লগত
সমুদায়
পট্টাদাৰৰ স্থলত শ্ৰী মংগীলাল মোৰৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হ'ল। So
Oh.
Mongilal got this land in 1973 and he sold this land my lord in 1960. How can it be possible? The sale deed which is produced of 60.
Read the last also. Sita, last
portion of this page man.
Yes, please.
চিঠাৰ উপপত্তি সমাহৰ্তাৰ উক্ত তাৰিখৰ হুকুম মতে পৰিসূত্ৰে পট্টাৰ ইমান নং দাগৰ 2 বিঘা জমিত মংগীলালৰ স্থলত আব্দুল খালেকৰ নাম নামজাৰি কৰা। So on the same date, this Mongilal has transferred this 1% of the land. Then another Sitar next piece, Sitar উপপত্তি সমাহৰ্তাৰ 17/1/73 on the same day. 73 ইংৰাজী হুকুম মতে পৰিসূত্ৰে এই পট্টাৰ 129 নং দাগৰ 1 বিঘা 10 লিচা জমিত মংগীলালৰ স্থলত শ্ৰী জনাব আলীৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হয়। This
In
was done on
1973.
1973.
The next order is also of 73, my lord.
Next order is of 73.
So probably
We are not related to that, my lord. We are my question is, my lord, my submission is, if Mongilal got stated his land, this land
In 1973.
how can he sold this land in 1968? And in fact, by the circle officer's order, in all cases, madam, this number of this is mentioned. As far as even the same bit number is not mentioned.
probably, my lord, Mongilal sold the land by dint of his sale deed prior to mutation, my lord. Probably, my lord. Otherwise, it is seen that there are 4 orders of the same date from some other person to Mangilal to some Abdul Khalek, and thereafter from Mangilal to Jonab Ali, and thereafter another order from Ahmad Ali, Murtuz Ali, by the same order.
So my submission is that probably the petitioner themselves contradicted their case in the entire well before the tribunal and as well as before the of the court. Once they have said there is a sale deed in 1968, but the land which they are indicating, that land was owned by the seller only in 1973. So it cannot be possible. The land could not be sold before to become the owner of that particular land.
So this sale deed of 1968, 14 to 68, what is this
They were
about?
different format. It may be of a different person. We don't know unless it's until they prove my because they are contradicting themselves. We are not an authenticity matter. They are contradicting themselves.
My lord, kindly come to page 22 for a moment, my lord. The land was sold by dint of sale deed, my lord, not by dint of mutation, my lord. ইয়াতে মেনশন কৰি দিছে কশ্য মাটি বিক্ৰী আজি মোৰ টকাৰ আৱশ্যক হোৱাত মোৰ খৰিদ কৰি লোৱা ইমান তাৰিখে ইমান নম্বৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰি দলিল সূত্ৰে 1 বিঘা 1 কঠা 10 লেচা মাটি উচিত মূল্য নগদ ইমান টকাত বুজি পাই আজিয়ে বিক্ৰী কৰি দখল আদি সমজাই দিলো. So he sold the land by way of his sale deed only.
This,
prior to obtaining mutation.
this sale deed, this Jonavali is the son of late Haru Sheikh. And
Yes.
your earlier documents, Jonavali is the son of Jalu.
Jalu and Haru, I had mentioned in my cross title as alias, my lord.
Jalu Sheikh.
Second aspect, as I have spoken, is submitted my lord. If the father died in 1979, his name should have been there in 1979. And which petitioner has, Malas, evidence has said. Father died in 1970. Why the father name is not there in 1971? And the NRC documents, as you also continues, NRC cannot be accepted as any piece of evidence.
Now, this NRC is by some Congress
Yes,
committee.
Congress party. So if existence of the father, projected father, prior to 1971 was not there, that is the case here, Madam, the petitioner, the tribunal was also said that it is not discernible that the father was there in prior to 71. There is no document. That's what the tribunal has not said. Tribunal has rejected this. And tribunal sell it if we accept my sell it. Cannot sell this protocol unless he become the owner of that. That is what my learned friend is saying. By we have said it, he sold that. Yes, I accept it. But to sell that land, I must be owner of the. I must become owner of that land first. Then only I can sell it. Unless it's until I become owner, I become owner in 1973. I sold him in 1968 by way of a sale, registered sale. Is it possible? It is not possible at all.
Okay.
So considering that aspect, if the sale deed is not there, might not be, there is no documents of prior to 71 of the projected file. For which the tribunal has rightly pointed out my and viewed that petitioner could not establish that his father was there prior to 1970.
But one more aspect, his mother's name, Asiran Nessa, features in the voters list of 1971.
Yes.
Along with two other persons, we are not very sure who are those. Ahmad Sarkar and Amana Khatun. But in the subsequent voters list, though there is a big variance, gap of almost 15 years, in that voters list of 1985 at page 37, the name of the petitioner is there along with mother.
Along with mother. But
At page 37, but here another issue which immediately will arise is his age is 37 years.
yes, that's why.
Where was he all this time before that?
And this 85 voter list, madam, so he has hidden somewhere, that they have shifted, madam. 81 is of Sukrangpari.
No, 71 is a Baguri.
71 is of
Baguri, 85 is a Chukrambari.
Sukrangpari.
Kothar.
That aspect is also there.
But his age, 37
He is
years,
37, madam.
37,
So his date of birth will be sometime in 1948.
he has said it is 1960, 61 years.
70, his name should have been there. The petitioner's name should have been there in 1970.
Oh, but you have declared your year of birth to be 1961, Mr. Alim.
Yes, my lord.
But from this DOB, the year of birth appears to be what?
1948.
And 40.
1955 minus 37, 1948.
1940.
48 plus 21 will be 1969.
Your lordship knows the voter list, age of the voter list is inserted by the VLO. After going to the village, sitting in a particular place, collected the entire information, inserted the.
But Mr. Alim, this 37 appears to be consistent with the age of your mother. Mother is 65. You cannot be less than this. The difference of age, 37 and 65 appears to be consistent. Have you got a point? You cannot be a 20-year-old person. And see, the mother says in 1971, she was 40. In 1985, she is 65. It's consistent.
I agree, your lordship, with your lordship that the ages are there are discrepancy, but the ages are inserted by some other person on the
No,
basis of
age,
assumption,
you
my
will
lord.
be right. Age for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. But first time, your age 37. 20 cannot be made 37.
Normally, what happens? I am
35 can
literate.
be made 37, 32 and you're 37.
If I see that my voter in my voter list, my age is given instead of 23, it is given 26. I will file a complaint and I will correct it. But illiterate persons, they does not know it.
Understood, but 37 can be what? 35, 32. It cannot be 20 years. At least one voter's list prior to 85.
23 years. If it is 61, his age ought to have been 23 years.
In my submission, my lord, when the discrepancies, the
Yes.
is relying this document, my lord, he has to rely fully. He cannot say that, no, my name is there, so it may be accepted, age may be ignored. One part of the evidence may be ignored and one part of the evidence will be accepted. That should not be the way to appreciate documents. No. Document has to appreciate it, not in part. So this is his document, which relying on this. So, Madam Bhutan, cannot say no, age may be ignored and the name may be accepted. That cannot be the way of appreciating it.
And if you see your EPIC at page 46, you are given to be 53 years in 2013. Then your date of birth becomes 1970. Come to page 46. $53 years. When 53 years? 1/10/2013. So date 2. 53 years. I thought you said date 2. Ah. 70. Not 70. Oh, sorry, 60. 60. Yes, 60.
My humble submission before your lordships is that I have only one document, that is the Jamabandi and land document. So since the land document is a discrepancy with the record, may I pray that my learned friend may kindly be directed to verify the said documents. If the document is seen to be authenticated, then I have a case, my lord. My citizenship, my valuable right is at the bars, my lord. So this may kindly be considered, my lord.
So Alim, that document is also appears to be the date of sale, date of purchase, when your vendee had become the owner of the land, sale deed of 1968, he was the owner till 1973.
In the sale deed, he clearly mentioned that when he sold the land, he was merely the owner by way of a deed only. He purchased the land by way of a registered deed. And thereafter he sold it. It is mentioned in the deed itself.
What is mentioned? Please read.
কশ্য মাটি বিক্রি খতপত্র মিদং কার্যস্নাগে আজি মোৰ টকাৰ দৰকাৰ হোৱাত মোৰ খৰিদ কৰি লোৱা 4-5-64 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে 582 নম্বৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰি দলিল সূত্ৰে 1 বিঘা 1 কঠা 10 লেচা মাটি উচিত মূল্য নগদ 200 টকা মবলগে 200 টকা হাতাহাতি বুজি পাই আজিয়েই বিক্ৰী দি দলিল আদি না দখল আদি সমঝিয়ে দিল।
You are
So-
reading page?
Page 22, my lord. So it is clearly mentioned that while he sold the land, he was not the mutated owner.
No, he's not. That cannot be the meaning.
So it is a document of 1968, my lord. Kindly consider that. This is not a document of the after cut-off date, my lord.
Mr. Alim, there is a problem with your document. There is a grave problem with your document. Mr. Payne, petitioner will be difficulty now. Page 22. Page 22. The so-called certified copy. See, there are two seals of the senior sub-registrar, correct? On the right side, it is the certified copy of 19/6/2019, correct? On the left side, it is the original Kamrup Metro in 1968. It's a different seal. We may cause an inquiry to be done here.
My lord, may be done. If I am an instrumental to this, action may be taken, my lord. মই যদি বদমাসি করেছি হোক আজকে কি কথা আছে
How does this metro comes in 1968?
Probably I can guess what happened, my lord. This certified copy is a handwritten copy. This copy is prepared on a stamp paper purchased now.
We're not on the stamp paper. We are,
Yes, my lord.
we are on the rubber stamp.
Yes, I am submitting.
How is Gauhati? Gauhati.
Yes, my lord, I am submitting. After getting this stamp paper, here the handwritten portion is written and the seal is used, the present seal is used here for issuing the certified copy.
There is no question of using a seal now.
I guess it has been done, my.
No, it cannot
my
be like this. So
may-
why a different seal in the certified copy? Certified to be true, different seal. Why? Senior sub-registrar Kamrup M. It cannot give a seal. And these are different seals. See, had it been the same seal, would have understood that only to replicate a seal, it has given maybe a mistake, but here it's a different seal.
It is certified to be only the right hand.
Over Gauhati. And see, my brother has also pointed out, this is, while doing it in a hurry, it's not Kamrup even, it's Kumrup,
Seal is doubtful.
KUM. But Gauhati, Kamrup Metro Gauhati in 1968.
The second, actually, it was Gauhati. Not even Gauhati.
In the second page, Lordship, they have cut the word Metro Guwahati and written in the by hand Sarduk. The backside the page,
Vote खेले मिली ऐसे.
page number 23.
Vote खेले मिली ऐसे.
They strike of the word.
You produced the original of this.
Yes, my,
We'll direct an inquiry in this.
my lord.
Because this is the clinching document on which the case hinges upon.
For both sides. this will be-
Where is the original?
Right now, I am not in possession. I will collect from the petition.
We have to see the backside also.
I am checking for a moment, my lord. If I am in possession of the original or not. No, my lord, I am not in possession of the original. I have to collect from the petitioner.
See the PC page 24 also. 24. Top, there is certified to be true copy. Senior Sub Registrar Kamrup Metro Gauhati 19619. On the bottom, there are the same seal which has been impressed twice. On the right side, copied by signed illegible, read by nothing. Date is 4/5/1968. Same seal again copied by, there is some signature, read by signature, compared by signature. 19/6/2019. How can this be the same seal? Senior Sub Registrar.
Left side, the volume and book number are also mentioned.
Those can be done easily, very easily. Certified copy, it is. Yes, Mr. Payne, why will the lab say left side on the page for 22, the first seal on the left side, why will it come in a certified copy?
22 month.
Page 22, the just after the folio on the left side, this seal, why will it come in a certified copy?
Certified to be true.
Certified copy on the right side, that is okay. Right, that right side, certified to be true is the only seal required. Left side seal, why is it, where is the necessity in a certified copy? This comes only in the original. Just check the original seal in the document.
Page 22, my lord. Page 22, left side, there is no certified seal, my lord.
Right side, there is a certified seal.
Right side, there is.
Left side, why is this seal required? Admissible under so and so stamp, this is not required.
This is not required.
And this seal is of 2000, Act of 2004.
2004 is of different authority.
Act of 2004.
Yes.
Please see the original, what seal is there?
In
On the original.
original, this is of 1908 Sonam. As per the Act of 1908.
Yes, Mr. There's a serious problem here. A stamp paper which has been purchased in the year 2019 will have a seal with Kumrup Metro and 14 to 1968. How
My-
will you have?
My lord, I am not with the wrongdoer. So if the petitioner has done anything, it can be asked out, my lord.
No,
inquiry may be
you are
done.
representing him.
My lord,
We are
maybe.
we are not suggesting and implicating anything of your, but you are representing the petitioner with these documents. We do not find the petitioner before us. We'll find you before us. You are representing him.
On the face of the record, I am seeing that there are so many anomalies, my lord.
No, leave aside other anomalies. This is a serious anomaly. It's a hurdle in the dispensation of justice impediment.
So inquiry may be given, my lord. Let us see what happened.
You can ask the.
We'll have this tomorrow again. Tomorrow. We'll
May I
this
have the
tomorrow.
original copy? May I call for the original copy from the
You
petitioner?
Get the original copy.
Tomorrow it will not be possible.
Then Monday.
It is from Borpeta.
Monday.
Monday. Can it be given some more time, my lord? I will be called
Then Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Not later than Tuesday.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay. Heard. So and so, so and so. No, heard in part, full stop. While. No, heard this matter at some length, full stop. At the time of consideration, we have noticed that while the original sale deed of 1968 was produced before the tribunal, in the writ proceeding, a so-called certified copy thereof, a purported certified copy thereof has been enclosed. Full stop. We have also noted that there is a clear finding of the learned tribunal that the copy of the sale deed of 1968, which was produced, was illegible. Full stop. We have verified from the record and found that the same is in fact illegible. Full stop. Under those circumstances, the copy, the purported certified copy attains immense significance. Full stop. A careful perusal of the same would, however, reveal that the rubber stamps used are used of the senior sub-registrar are not only different, but also indicates that indicates that there may be some interpolation. There may be. No, keep on last question. And it also indicates that, and also raises doubt on the authenticity. Full stop.
Needs to be separated from discrepancies. Time of service needs further verification.
The learned Sri Alim, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is accordingly directed to produce the original certified copy of Annexure 3 on the next date, which is fixed on Tuesday.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Have a look again. Take some time, 5-10 minutes, have a look.
Tuesday.
We may not be 100% right, but that is what appears.
Yeah, cannot be
With the-
metro, obviously.
At least the Kamrup
Cannot
should
be
have been written
metro
properly.
at 1968.
Kamrup should have been written. Kamrup cannot be Kumrup.
No, that is, even if you overlook, it cannot be metro in 1960.
At that time.
And it was Gauhati at that time.
And why this
No,
seal?
not
In a
even
certificate
Guwahati.
copy, is that seal required?
My understanding, the seal was not required alone. Because then, my lord, the certificate, the copy itself will be a different copy.
Exactly.
The authority is different.
The seal is required only in the original sale deed,
Yes, ma'am.
not in a certified copy.
Yes.
Certified copy is a copy of the original which is certified.
Not a single word. can
And
be
whatever is cannot be copied, those are written by hand.
hand.
Even the signature is given and said SD so and so.
As the aforesaid.
Had it been that the certified copy is prepared from the original by way of Xerox, then also it is a separate matter.
That's a different matter.
Yes,
Xerox,
madam.
there are-
Best,
there is different
actually.
matter.
Nowadays, it's
Xerox and certified.
They should have written on the seal of so and so. That would have been written.
Okay, Tuesday. Rest, we'll give dates if there are matters.